Alright, let's start getting into this. Yo, what's up, Norm? How you doing? What's up? What's up? First chatter. First chatter. Oh man. It's been hard keeping up with these charts, I'll tell you what. So looking at Bitcoin on the daily, gave us a little bit of a scare this morning with the pullback, but it got bought up. So that's always nice. We're literally going sideways in this uptrending consolidation. That XYO though, ayo, I'm really glad XYO is working out for you. That's great to hear. Great to hear. I didn't even check it. I just saw in Discord. I think Chewy said it that it was popping. So hopefully you made some dough off that. But yeah, so Bitcoin currently is just getting held down by this a little trend line here. So we probably have a couple more days of this sideways consolidation, possibly out like 5 more days. And then maybe we'll get a resolution, most likely going to the upside. But we do have resistance overhead now, sitting at 97,920. So looks like the bulls have some work to do. Seems like that's why these altcoins have a chance to run. Let's go ahead and check out the liquidations. So on your daily for Binance, you can see there are some liquidations up overhead. You can see 97,900. 97,900. We have 93 million worth of shorts that could get liquidated. However, if price does come down to 94,300, 80 million down there for the taking. So there is that. Let's go ahead and check the weekly on this. Checking the weekly. Ooh, look at all those longs that got burnt down here. Holy. So over 200, 300 million in longs got completely taken out. Still left some down there on the table, but looking like we got very little liquidity overhead in comparison. I guess all the leveraged people in Bitcoin are going long. That's kind of a problem. Could cause for a pullback. So let's be careful on that one. Be careful there. So that's what we see out of Bitcoin. Let's check out the dominance. Bitcoin dominance should be falling off a cliff right now. So let's find out. And it is. It is. It's just dropping like a stone. Wow, computer is moving slow. So we got plenty of room to the downside for this measured move to play out. I'm looking for Bitcoin dominance to come all the way down to 47.86%. That would be absolutely massive. That means these alts can continue running the way that they are, because this dominance is just dying. Ooh, it's so bad. So bad. But that's what we like to see. Like to see the dominance falling. Alright, let's go ahead and check out some of the big caps. So let's check BNB real quick. BNB token currently sitting at $652. Just seems like it's getting muted right now, but man oh man are we hitting a ton of overhead resistance at that 656 level. Once it breaks, I'm still aiming at $841. Still aiming at it. The more it builds up right here, the harder it's going to run. So looking pretty good. I got new longs in last night. One of the perks of being a night owl, your XRP longs are printing. ADA 2 actually. Well, very nice. Very nice. Congratulations, Rich. I don't know how long those ones are going to keep pumping for, but take the gains while you can. They are awfully overbought, so it's actually pretty ballsy. You're taking out those longs. Speaking of ADA, let's check it out. So ADA right now is hitting a profit-taking level. Like literally right now, this moment. So we'll see how much more it has in it. But you are crazy overbought. Next level would be at 146. And then we got to go out to the weekly. Let's see what we got overhead from there. If we break 146, ADA still has some legs. You could see price skyrocket straight up to $2.30. Could see it. It would literally be a skyrocket above that. I opened them last night. Already took a lot of profits. Smart move. Take those profits. Don't leave them on the table. Do not leave them on the table. So, yeah, ADA, if it breaks 146, you only have 2 more targets. Just goodness gracious. Look at this weekly. That looks absolutely crazy. You're super overbought. Just is what it is. But yes, trying to figure out when to close them. Okay. All right. Well, just keep in mind these candle closes on the weekly. They make for very good areas in which price could turn around. Just be careful. Just be careful. Anyways, moving on down. Let's go ahead and check out Ethereum. Ether. I guess we're gonna have to start checking out Litecoin, XRP, Solana. Like we're gonna have to put them all in the mix now. Absolutely insane. All right, going to. Oh shit! I didn't. Oops. Forgot to change that. I'll change it, but my exchange, I still have it on the copy trading side, and I forgot to change it back to my regular account. Oopsie. Oopsie poopsie. Alright, Ethereum. Still kind of looking like it's getting left behind, but you're just chugging along, trying to get to that 3,935 level. If you can break that, you're looking at 4,634. Highest weekly candle closes ever. I think a lot of people fail to realize how high Ethereum actually is. It's like, no, it's pretty darn close to its all-time highs. It just creeps up the whole time, just being a little creeper. But if you break that 46.34, you go into price discovery for Ethereum. So Ethereum's looking just fine. Looking just fine. Just fine. Oh, FTM's pulling back way too much. Too bad. Too bad. FTM was up like 28% on the day. We're currently down 4%. I'm getting complacent. I just wanted to finish the move, but it looks like consolidation is ahead. What a shame. What a gosh darn shame. Anyways, Litecoin, LTC. Let's check it out. Litecoin had a day, I'll tell you. It had a day. So Litecoin, fresh breakout. Fresh breakout. Above 118 right now. You're sitting at 129. In reality, you hold support above 118. $280 is the next target. Litecoin is on a very significant breakout right now. Checking out your daily, you are overbought, so I would expect some consolidation, but this is insane. Absolutely insane. You're trying to reset your 4-hour already? This thing might try to rally tomorrow? That's crazy. Oh my god, it might try and rally tonight. Wait, what? Your 1 hour's resetting already. Yo, Banana Republic, what is up? How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. So Litecoin, yeah, it looks like it actually wants to do something. That's the biggest surprise of the night right there. That's absolutely crazy. Let's go ahead and check out Solana next. Would you say we're officially in alt season? Yes. Yes, I would. The more alts that start breaking above their 200 weeklies, the more I can say that. So yes. Solana out here getting pissed off that XRP stealing its lunch. But it does look like it's about to break out. This is kind of a big deal. Let's go out to your daily. Maybe not yet. Maybe not yet. You saved all my sick days for these days. That's pretty funny. That's pretty funny. I take it back on the breakout daily. You still got some room here. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, we still haven't bottomed out really. We have some support sitting right below us. Would be nice if we touched it. Would be really nice if we oh, we did. Never mind. So if we can maintain this after we break out, touch it one more time. Just one more time. That might be the best entry we're going to get right now during this bull run. Just maybe. And it's a flimsy little daily candle close type thing. Oh shit, wait a minute. No. You're hitting it twice. Ooh, this is a big deal. And now I'm looking at this so on the 4 hour, it looks totally different. It looks like you're breaking out right now. Huh. And with the double test, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wee woo. Wee woo. H. What's up, Savage? Yo. What's up, Savage? How you doing? I don't get H. Didn't I tell you about here? H bar. I mean, yeah, you said it. All I say is things are really high. That's all I ever say. So there we are. Looking at Solana, if it wants to continue its rally, this is insane. Just to a 5.0, you're looking at 20% upside. You get a stop loss right below this recent low. You might be good. Holy shit. In reality, your real target would be up here, about 43% upside to 328. You're still in Doge position. Very nice. Oh my god, that dip earlier, like during this morning, that stopped out so many of my trades. I was so mad. ADA hit your target at 132. Yep, that was a target. 146 is next target. We're going to see if it keeps going. But yeah, Solana, this is kind of a big deal. You could get that 43% rise. Yo, what's up, Johnny? Thank you, bro. No problem, Savage. No problem, Savage. But this, oh, we forgot to look at Doge. God damn it. My analysis is on point, no cap. Well, I appreciate that. Just don't forget about me. As you guys make tons of money, just don't forget about me. Because during bearish times, it's going to be really awful when all of you are just gone, enjoying your yachts. It's going to be terrible. But yeah, so yeah, no, Solana, 43% upside. I'm calling this one right now. It looks damn good. I'll forever be here. Well, that's good. That's good, Johnny, because we short around here. We go short. I'm going to be trading non-stop. You'll hire me? Well, hopefully I'm doing well enough to where I don't need a job. Jeez. I mean, noted. I'm still going to be training people. So I have this concept of a gym. I just want to build it. After I build it, I'm selling that thing. I don't even care. I just want it to be built. I just want to look at it. Not about the money. It's always about the money. Always. That's why you invest. It's always about the money. Anybody who tries to lie and be like, money doesn't matter, they're lying. Money doesn't buy you happiness. It buys you a stress-free life. That's called happiness. Goddamn liars. Alright, checking out XRP next. Facts. So, should I rotate my big bag of XRP back to Sol if it was your money? If it was me, yeah, I would.
Maybe we get some Cybus for Nance.
Some what?
Cybus.
Cybus? What are you talking?
Huh? Nance said, can I get some Cybus for my god?
What? You're gonna see not pumping this week? Yeah, probably. Hold on, guys. I gotta take a little intermission. I'll be right back. But yeah, XRP still aiming for $3. So just stare at this Gate.io chart so you know where it's aiming. Stare at this chart for a minute. I'll be right back. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. I'm back. Hey, what's up, Crypto Cruise? What did you miss? We're just going through the big ones. Just going through the big ones. XRP going to make a new all-time high. Maybe not in December, but it's coming. Yeah, probably. Yo, what's up, Simply Better? What's up? Oh, there he is. I'm back. Would you wait for a bit to see if XRP comes close to the $3 target before selling back into... Me personally, no, I wouldn't. If you're asking for what my personal opinion, what I would do if I was holding XRP that is completely skyrocketed, would I care about the last 10% compared to the 40% that Solana could run? No, I would not care at all. Wouldn't give it. I wouldn't give two shits. I would be throwing some leverage on Solana and just seeing if this bearish divergence on the 4 hour starts playing out on XRP after I sold it. I would not even care. 1,000 sats. Good entry along, I think. Savage, what do you mean 1,000 sats? I'm confused. XRP is going to $1.09 and then 4. Okay. Cool. Can you take a look at Sui? Yes, I can. Let's go look at Sui. I don't know, man. You never tested 155. And this is literally just a straight line up. It's absolutely insane. 1,000 sats on Binance. Are you talking about a token? Are you talking about a token? So all I can do right now when it comes to XRP is look at history, because this is the second time it's been in this price range. So automatically, I think you're going to have to come down to 155.9. History tells me you're going to have to come down there. You haven't tested it. You just went straight through it. So I'm thinking eventually, maybe not now, maybe not tomorrow, but eventually, 155.9. History's telling me that's coming. But, we're in hyper bullish times right now. We might not even consider thinking about that until like mid-January. So who knows? Who knows? It needs structure. Rich, I think I'm rubbing off on you. I think I'm rubbing off on you. Alright, Simply Better. We're going to go look at Sui right now. And then also, we got to look at Dog with Hat. I'm in an active trade with Dog with Hat right now. XLM and XDC. Isn't XDC like going crazy right now, or is that something else? XVG is. Never mind. H-Bar is killing it. H-Bar is going insane. Honestly, it's going insane. It's crazy. XDC. No. Oh yeah, I can't leverage XDC. That's why I never put it on the watch list. Alright, let's check out Sui first. Also, shout out to those who took the trade setups I posted earlier today, this morning. They printed. They printed pretty darn good. Alright, Sui up here. So Sui's kind of in that same boat where I'm like, you didn't test 236, and you've been consolidating for a while. It could go up, but, it would be way better if it came down to 236. The fact that it's not doing anything kind of has me worried, because while you did this little move here, your stochastic on the daily just gave you room to fall further. So that's the worry. If we have one down day, we might actually see Sui just start tumbling, just going down with the get down. So we currently have a downtrend here. We're trying to find support somewhere in no man's land, but in reality, your support is down here at 236.51. It's just taking forever to come down there because this market is hyper bullish. Hyper bullish. But let's check the 4 hour. Even your 4 hour, it's not even giving you like any shining hope. You had 2 green candles here mixed in with some red. Your stochastic's coming up already. You're back in neutral territory. It is set up to fall. It is set up to go down right now. And noted, you're looking at like a trend. Like this is a downtrend here. This could be bad. So automatically you would see if you can break above the 236, but you would be aiming for the 786 down here. So at 288.06, it's really what you'd be looking for. How much will alts pump when Bitcoin breaks 100K? Curtis, I think the alts will dump. Yeah, if Bitcoin's breaking 100K, the Bitcoin dominance is going to go back up. It'll start sucking liquidity out of all these alts that are going up right now. So, yeah. When to enter back into Moondeg? Oh boy, I don't know. That thing went crazy, Gray. We'll check it out if I remember. Just remind me later if I forget. 100K means 105K. Yeah, pretty much, because there's a bunch of shorts sitting up there. Bunch of shorts. But yeah, so Sui, I'm just looking at bearish cases here. It's like Sui front ran the entire bullish time for all of the alts. So it's like the FOMO's not here anymore. The FOMO is all over the rest of the market. So I think this is a nice slow bleed out for Sui. But yeah, my target is for it to come back down to 236. If you can test 236, I mean, test it once, but get that second test, hold it as support. This could be absolutely amazing. XLM is starting to run. Nice. Bro, this is crypto. Every year they do something that's unexpected. No, they don't. It's if it happens every year, it's not unexpected. It's completely expected. You mean the big guys? Let's get rich. Crypto Naughty, that's right. Respect the impossible. Hey, I do respect the impossible. It's like, maybe we could look at this in a bullish sense because we have higher lows going on right now. Maybe we consolidate all the way out to December 24th and this thing takes off. If the trend continues for Sui, you're about to go into complete price discovery. So I would still like that back test down here, but maybe we don't get it for months. And just maybe we have to look at this as the bullish setup that it is. But right now, you would be looking at it sort of like this, where your main target would be $5.13. So there's your bullish and bearish case for Sui. Hopefully that helps you out in your decision making. It's just, yeah, this thing, you're downtrending right now. We shall see what happens in the coming days. We'll see. Many call for a pullback, but I think XRP to $10. Johnny, that's a bold claim there. We're going to see if you're right. Wait until they start passing laws for crypto. Oh yeah, at the end of January. Yeah. Until then, we just get to deal with all of the shuffling around of assets at the beginning of the year, which could cause a lot of weird price movements. All right, we've had XLM thrown out there 5 separate times. Let's go to XLM. We also had X something else. I'll look back for that one. H bar, dump or strong push? It's a straight line up. Anything that's a straight line, I don't think strong push up is the word. You're basically just looking for when will people stop putting in shorts. It'll fall over then. As soon as they stop putting in shorts, it will fall over. Alright, so XLM still aiming for that 71.11. Still aiming for it. But if the trend continues the way it is, you might see XLM go higher. You just might. I would mainly be focusing in on the 786 right now. Oh, shit. I'd mainly be focusing in on the 786. Usually a very good spot for price action to turn around, but that's lining up almost perfectly with your 7111. That's kind of crazy. But yeah, XLM looks fine. Looks like it's getting ready to push on up there. So if you're already in XLM, hopefully you're enjoying it. Hopefully you're enjoying it. If you're trying to get an XLM now, honestly, I don't even think it's worth it. Oh yeah, I got into that AVAX game off the grid on PS5. Pretty fun. I still haven't played it. Is it really that much fun? I mean, it looks fun from what all the streamers are doing. I haven't played it. All right, let's see what all these other things are that you guys wanted to see. XDC. XDC mainnet. Looked at this one yesterday. It has taken off. Yeah, your target 11756. You are off to the races. We looked at this one literally yesterday, and it has been printing. So yeah, just watch out when you get there. Look at all of this bearish divergence. People are offloading into this rally like crazy. That's wild. But yeah, that's your target. If you break that 11, I think it's like price discovery or some nonsense. Let me see. Nope, not price discovery, but your next target would be like 18 cents. See, I think it's times like now where everyone actually starts to believe me when I say these altcoins should be able to get like a 5 to 10x above their previous all-time highs. Earlier, like 3 months ago, everybody thought I was full of crap. 3 months ago, people were like, yeah, right, never gonna happen. Now all of a sudden people are calling XRP to $1,000. All it had to do was move 300%. That's wild. It's wild to me how fast people change. Can we look at Doge? Yeah, we can. We got RVN and Root. Johnny coming in with all of the requests. Sheesh. All right. Before we get to those, we got to do Moondeg. Moodeg. 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 Yeah, we can look at Kaspa. Did you do Sui already? If not, please. Yes, already did Sui. Did Sui right before XLM. Right before it. Alright, let's get rid of all this. So, nice thing about this, you can find the trend on the weekly. That's nice. Let's find it on the daily, though. Because this thing, yesterday, up 66%. Trying to push up again today. You are hitting your all-time highs. Did you hit it? You're really close to all-time high. Really close. So let's just say you can break all-time high. Let's just say you can. Okay, there we go. I mean, first target you're looking for is this 83577. 83577, first target there. If you break that, 118.33. If you break it. So Moodeg still running, still going crazy. You still got another 34% possible, and if it gets a little buck wild, you'd be looking for 88% upside. You didn't know it got listed? Wait, what? Yo, could you take a look at Algo? Okay, alright. RSR, good coin. Alrighty. Yes, please. I'm really glad this helps you out. Okay. Alright. But yeah, this thing, it's not even overbought on the daily. That's crazy. You're overbought on the 4 hour. You're not overbought on the daily? Wow. Moodeg. Showing its strength. Johnny, there's no way I'm going to keep up with all your requests. There's absolutely no way. We're hoping for the best, but there's no way. Crabskin Records, thank you so much for the sub. How we doing tonight? How we doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. By the way, guys, if you guys can do me a huge favor, smash up the likes. Just give it a little tap. Everything here is free and for your benefit. Please do me a favor. Hit the like button. We got 36 viewers and only 8 likes. Y'all killing me out here. Y'all killing me. I feel like in a couple seconds we could hit 36. I feel like it. Anyways. What do we got after Moodeg? Keeping up with all this is hard. If I forget, sorry. Sorry. H bar? See an H bar in here. See Kaspa too. I'm gonna look at Kaspa first. I want to look at Kaspa. So I second spell. We will check out spell. We'll check it out. Alright, so Kaspa, you're still trading sideways, but Kaspa, out of all these other coins, I'm pretty sure they have like the most upside potential right now, considering you were in this downtrend, you broke out of it. This was a weekly downtrend. This was kind of a big deal. You are now just kind of setting your new floor, is what it seems like. So, needless to say, you do have some price targets here. If you can stay above 14.4321, you should first see this 18,995. You realistically should be looking for 21,728, which would give you a new all-time high. So that's realistically what I would be looking at for Kaspa. It just needs to start catching the bids, but you just retook your 200 daily simple moving average and held it as support. This is a very good sign. Very good sign. If I were trading Kaspa, I would be looking at two separate targets. A 40% upside and a 70% upside. That would be the two spots I would be looking at. Johnny, you're requesting too much. There's no way I'm going to remember. I'm going to try, but there's no way. Alright, RVN. We can check that out. But yeah, so simply better. Hopefully this helps you out when it comes to Kaspa. But yeah, as long as you stay above that 14.4321, you're good. Yo, TK, good evening. How are you? Simply better, no problem. No problem. Didn't RVN go crazy recently? I think it did. Or was it Ren? Shit. Let's check RVN. Oh, RVN did go crazy. Okay. Alright. Let's clean up the chart a little bit. I mean, you're still going wild. If you're not already in RVN, good freaking luck. But target right now, 3637. That is the target. You are moseying on up there. Still alive once again. I'm glad you are alive. I'm glad you're thriving. Hopefully. Preferably. Whoever wanted RSR, you're up 25%. The move already has gone. Anyways. RVN, you're up in no man's land. You're looking to get to overhead resistance. If you manage to break that 3637, next target's 5167. Diving into this a bit further, your 1 hour is high. It's very high. Expect consolidation, especially with this wick right here. Just expect the consolidation. Normally you would just use fib levels to figure out where the consolidation could be. So let's just anchor it right here. Put the high right here and the low right there. That would have been a kick in the nuts. So you're currently at your 786. You could come back down to your 5.0 at the 2754. I would be waiting for the consolidation, waiting for indicators to reset if you were looking to get into this thing. Just saying. But you can do one better. Let's just say you hit the 786, so you're just looking at where could it go next. You would be looking at it kind of like this, where you are also at the 786, about to hit the 1. So yeah, the 50 would be a great spot for you to find support, sitting down here at 2832. 50 would be a great spot. Bro, can we do Doge, please? Yes, actually, somebody asked for Doge earlier. Thanks for getting me back on track with that. XVG ripping, 100%. It is ripping. It's going crazy. You just found whiff on Coinbase? It got onto Coinbase? I didn't even know it did. Wow. We gotta look at Algo too? Alright, let's do Doge, then Algo, and then we'll move on. Doge. So Dogecoin, we are just waiting for this thing to stay broken out. Like, the hell is this? 57 is your target. It's like, it's just getting held down here, brother. Just getting held down. Let's go out to their 4 hour. Yeah, your 4 hours just maintaining above its moving averages. Still consolidating. Still consolidating. This is rough. Really, really rough for the Doge community out there. Really rough. But when it breaks out, not even if at this point, when, yep, whiff can be bought on Coinbase. That's crazy. I didn't know that. I know I'm in a leverage trade for whiff, but I didn't know that it could be bought on Coinbase. But yeah, when this thing breaks out, 57,326, still the target, just waiting. It's starting to go as slow as Shiba Inu. It's absolutely insane. So we're going to see what ends up happening. What is this notification here? Oh, okay, cool. Cool. Dang, guys, we only got 11 likes and 40 viewers. Y'all are wild out here. Please, hit the like. Hit the like. It really does help out with people discovering the channel. Don't keep me as your dirty little secret. You don't have to hide me from your wife. I'm friendly. Anyways. So yeah, Dogecoin could pop up at any time. Zane. H-bar short setup here. Up 59% today. Hopefully ready for a big dip. Zane, I would be weary about that. I would wait a couple days before you try shorting it. I would wait. Like button smash. TK, thank you so much for the like. Everybody, hit those likes. Come on, guys. Hit those likes. So yeah, Dogecoin, if it can get its act right and actually break out again, very easily 57 cents. But we are just building up a bunch of tension here. It would be nice to get that relief. Just, be the greatest relief of all time. But yeah, Zane, shorting in this environment, extremely dangerous. Very easy way to lose money. Very easy way to lose your money. Alright, checking out Algorand next. Algo, there you are. So Algorand is on a rocket ship. Next target 62 cents, 62.81. If you break that, I actually have no idea where it could go. That's all that I drew out. Let's see where it could go. If you break that, you would then be looking for 81.53. I think. Right there? Yeah, 81.53. I would think it would slow down from there. But if you notice what Algorand just did, it just got to its 200 weekly moving average. Makes sense that it's finding resistance. Makes sense. Algo went nuts. Went absolutely nuts. Alright, we gotta check out Spell. Don't shorten a bull market. Risky AF. TK, we already looked at XDC. It is still going crazy. Still going crazy. Alright, Spell is next. Roger. Yeah, it's still going nuts. We'll loop back around soon. Just Johnny went kind of insane with all the requests. It's his fault. I'm blaming Johnny. Total 3 easy eats. We'll check it out. So Spell has already started making its move. You are hitting overhead resistance right now. You hit it 1 day ago or last week, something like that. There's the overhead resistance. What the hell was I putting out there? Sheesh. All right. So a few days ago you hit it. you reset your indicators and you got sent back up really quickly. So I'm guessing you're going to have a little bit more consolidation, but realistically, your target 15268, if you happen to break that, your next target after that 33753, and then it's 58774. You're literally in your accumulation range still for spell. So if you are DCAing, DCA while you can, because these prices will not last very long. DCA while you can. Good luck. Good luck. You're in a very awful spot for taking a fresh long. Get above that yellow line, maybe a better spot. You're currently below it, kind of a terrible spot. Kind of terrible. You shouldn't have showed up late, TK. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Hayden, I have no clue. I wish I could tell you. I don't know. Maybe. Where's it all time high? Yeah, I think so. I mean, all time high is sitting at 2.8 cents. Realistically, you're probably going to get back up there. You're more likely to get back up to that all time high and then make a 5 to 10x above it. Yeah. Definitely could be a thing. Could I check purple? I will, eventually. I will. Word. Okay. We did Doge. Did I catch up? No, total 3. That's what I gotta do. Total 3. Total 3 is kind of important, so we're going to look at that. Mavia. We'll check out Mavia. So total 3 has been going ape shit. You're about to hit all-time highs. About to hit price discovery at 1.13 trillion. So, yeah, that's what we're looking at there. About to do that. Let's go from here to here. To there, give or take. All right, we might run into some issues sitting at that all-time high mark, but if we break it, your first target's 1.375 trillion. Not bad. Not bad. Looking pretty solid there. Looking pretty solid. Simply better. Did I take a look at Sol? Yeah, I did, but I mean, we're right here. Sol's looking super bullish. Super bullish. 43% upside possible here. 43%. On the daily, you're basically reset. You're finding support at the same spot twice, which is from previous highs on the daily, and you're getting a breakout. So, super bullish on Sol. Super bullish. 43% upside. I think the Solanians are getting pissed off that they lost their spot to XRP. So, that's what I see out of Sol. Yo, family, how's today's crypto life? Tell me good news about ICP. We will check it out, Joe. We'll check it out. We gotta check out purple too. Son of a bitch, I just missed it. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Wow, the wick stopped you there, huh? That's crazy. Guess I better get the next level after it, just in case. Well, you're looking at that right there. James, there's no way you just missed me looking at Sol. No way. All you gotta do is rewind literally like 1 minute. You will see me talking about Sol. No. Sol, 43% upside. You're at a good entry right now. That's Sol right now. Nick, thoughts on Apecoin? We'll check it out. James on, hell yeah. Yeah, Nick, we'll check it out. I got you. I mean, we're completely broken out. Thank you. I will rewind. No problem. It's literally like, you don't gotta go far. It's like right there. This is why you all should join the Discord, get notified when I go live. I do like to cover the large cap coins first, and Solana's in the mix for that. So we cover all the big ones right away, and then we start going into all the other requests. But normally for the big ones, for some reason, I got to go back to them like 19 times throughout a stream. It's kind of rough. It's kind of rough, but yeah. Where's this low? Right there. Alright. So, with Mavia, if you maintain these lows like you did back here when you first took this dip, just like you did now on this test, you could see this thing go, is ETH going to pump? Eventually. Eventually it will. So, I would first be aiming at the 786. You're looking at 35% upside if this trend continues. And then after that, you would be looking at 49% upside, getting into that overhead resistance. If you happen to break it, you might be able to wick up to this 86% upside. Word, I appreciate the grind. Hey, I'm here to grind it out, guys. I would really appreciate if you guys subscribed and hit the like button, though. I would really appreciate it. Trying to get to that 1,000 subscribers with looking at charts, it's kind of hard. It's actually kind of hard. Not very many people care to look at a chart. They'd rather just throw their money into a meme coin and hope to make millions. It's kind of wild. Joel. It's funny. Somebody else, Joe, came in asking for ICP also. We're going to go to ICP next. Johnny, facts. Yeah, it's absolutely wild, but I feel like a lot of people fail to realize it's like in the same time frame, you could learn how to leverage trade and make 1,000 times more money in shorter time than hoping a meme coin doesn't rug pull you. It's absolutely insane to me. But hey, nobody wants to put in the work to learn a new skill to then never have to work again. But it's fine. It's fine. It's cool. No big deal. No big deal. Anyways, yeah, no, this thing, Mavia, looks pretty darn solid here. Just if you are trying to trade this thing, get that stop loss around 191.65, and you should be okay. Should be. Just sub Porky LP Keno Del Saber. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. I'm sorry if I butchered the heck out of your name. My bad. My bad. Joel, ICP is underrated. ICP, I think, is underrated. Whiff might fly when Solana goes up. What do you think? Simply better. I'm literally in a long on Whiff. We will check out Whiff. I can guarantee that. Currently, on my copy trading account, we're up 85%. I'm trying to build this account back up after some poor decisions, but yeah, I need to get out of this account. I need to go to my normal account that I normally trade on. So hold on real quick. Before I forget that again. I swear, I go live, I get so forgetful. So forgetful. We're still going to check out ICP next. Google Authenticator. Do 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 do. Okay, all right. So these are the current trades I'm in, which I didn't show you guys yet, but here they are. You guys can see that. Pigfish. What's that? What's up, Pigfish? What's up, HQZ? How you doing? So yeah, current trades. We are in WIF on a 15x long. We're also in FTM on a 15x long. Earlier today, I was up 340% on FTM, but I'm going to actually ride this thing out to my profit-taking level, so we'll just see how long it takes. Just going to see, because this is a $16 trade that's supposed to turn into like 120. So I was like, you know what? Let's do it. Let's do it. Why not? So yeah, doing that. Anyways, yeah, Mavia, you're starting to move already. Looking like you're anywhere between 35 to 86% upside. So yeah, looking solid. Let's go into ICP next because I skipped it like 5 times. So let's get over there. Ooh, let me peek in on my copper real quick. Hell yeah. Have I checked ADA chart? I did. It's hitting overhead resistance right now. If it breaks, 146 is your next target. 146 next target. T dot, no idea what your 001 is. I don't know what that is. What is that? ICP. So ICP has been chugging along. We've had a target on this for a while. 1569 is a target. Looks like you're going to get there sometime in the near future. If you break it, you're looking at 2257. TK wants some Pepe. We'll check out Pepe. We'll check it out. But yeah, how many of you actually saw the trade setups that I posted today inside of Discord? This is a genuine curiosity. Because I only posted 3. I only posted 3. FIL, FTM, and Sin. I only posted 3. Yeah, Ondo broke out. I saw that earlier. Ondo's going nuts. It's going actually nuts. Just gonna keep up with chat now. I don't know if anybody's in here from Twitch or not. Nope. Twitch is a ghost town as normal. Alright, we're good. We're good. ICP price target $100. I mean, eventually. I didn't see it. What did you not see? What? Joe, you didn't see it? Joe, you should be a part of the Discord. That usually helps. I literally tag everyone. If you turn off notifications on Discord, you're never going to see anything I post. I literally only tag everyone if I'm posting about crypto or going live. If you start seeing multiple posts, you know it's charts. You know it. Oh man, 35 viewing, only 17 likes. Come on, we can do better than that. Come on, everybody. There are going to be sleepers. This bull run. Oh, of course they're sleepers. Of course. They're just going to slowly chug along. It's not going to catch news. It's just going to slowly get on up there. And everybody's going to be like, oh, wait a minute. I thought it was at $8 this whole time. Nope, it was just moving up consistently. GG on ADA. I will scroll back. Oh, it's fine. I'll go to it. Well, we're going to loop around, guys. Thoughts on Algo? It's super high. We'll get back to it. We're going to check out WIF because I'm in it. So I'm going to check it. So looking at WIF right now, you guys are going to see exactly what I saw on WIF because, yeah, this is a phenomenal trade setup that could be playing out. Looking out on the daily. You can see we had this beautiful impulse up. We came back down just underneath resistance. But now, this downtrend we have broken out of, and we back-tested it as support. We have a close moving average. Our 50 simple on the daily is very close to the price action. which now is going to give people a little bit of a feel-good feeling to let it go up. Going to blast off, no one will see it coming. Well, maybe, who knows? All I can do is just see things kind of like this. It already blasts off, it consolidated, it's ready for next leg up. 2 targets, but in this bullish environment, I'm aiming for that full 100% move on the trend continuation. Anywhere between 64 and 86% upside and finding brand new all-time highs are in store for Dog with Hat. This is very possible based off of the recent move up. But we're going to have to wait and see what happens. Anyways. But no one cares about these things. All you guys want to see is things like H-bar and ADA because they're already skyrocketed. Or Algo. So let's go to it. Finding resistance at overhead resistance at 132. Found it. Now 146 could be the next target. All you gotta do is wait. Just wait. I bet your 15's already resetting. Oh, look at that. Already resetting. Shib's a weird one. XRP, it's sky high. $3. I feel like I've been saying $3 for XRP for the last week. Mana? Didn't Mana recently go crazy too? XRPP. What the heck is that? Is it true Tesla is going to sell 750 million on Bitcoin? Rug pull? I don't know if you know this, but 750 million on Bitcoin? Bitcoin might not even realize that it got sold. The last time Tesla decided to sell off 100 million, literally the price deviated by 0.1%. It was hardly anything. So you have to realize what the trading volume is, 24-hour trading volume of Bitcoin is. So that's $64 billion. 750 million wouldn't even put a dent into this. That's 24-hour volume for Bitcoin. $68 billion. 750 is a blip on the radar. Doesn't even matter. So we probably wouldn't even realize it. ARP is for retired people? That's true. Hotcoin? Does it exist yet? Wait, what? Sailor just bought 1.5 billion. Did anyone notice in price action? Rich, he buys OTC, so nobody would see it anyways. Yeah, he buys over the counter. But when people sell, they don't sell over the counter. They sell it on the market. It's absolutely crazy. You think it's a hot coin. Wait, what? XRPP? We'll have to check it out. I don't know what XRPP is. But yeah, you're pulling back right now on ADA. If you get a substantial pullback, in reality, ADA should come back down to 77.76. It should be very substantial. But the fact of the matter is, all you're doing is resetting indicators and probably looking to push up into 146. This is a problem with hyper bullish markets. Just goes to show BTC price is manipulated. Oh yeah, big time. All markets are manipulated. Don't you remember when JP Morgan Chase got sued and they had to pay, I think it was $1 billion because they were manipulating the price of silver? Absolutely insane. All markets are manipulated. All of them. The fact that somebody can manipulate silver. It's really? Could I take a look at OM if you have a chance? Sure, simply better, sure. Well, yeah, so that's ADA. Zane wants to look at H-bar again, so we're going to look at that for Zane. Calling you out, Zane. Calling you out. FDM's pulling back pretty hard, but File looking good. Alright, where is H bar? There you are. Damn it, Billy Zane. So, H bar currently is broken out. If you stay above this level, you have 2 levels left for H bar. 47703, 57618. 57618 is your literal all-time high for H bar. Polygon, begging for a short. No telling if you can short this. You have bearish divergence, but in the past, it has not mattered. So, no telling if you can. In a normal market, you would be selling the shit out of this. But, you know, we're not in normal times. Manipulate ICP back to 400, please. I mean, it'll probably get there, Joe. It'll probably get there. That's the thing most people don't realize. Because I'm pretty sure ICP, it had its first ever bull run, last bull run, I think. Yeah, very normal for things to fall crazy low. I mean, heck, look at Solana. Solana got pushed all the way down to $9 from 260. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. H bar to $1? I mean, I think that's conservative, Savage. Very conservative. What about LTC, Muhammad? We are looking at probably like $300. I think. I forgot. We looked at it earlier. I gotta look at Polly. Gotta look at Paul. LTC. Yeah, I'm just going to quickly, briefly look at this one for you because we looked at it earlier. But yeah, you're above 118, so your next target is like $280. Savage, no, I said H bar to $1 is conservative. $1, that's doubling your previous all-time high. That's not really bull market thinking. You're thinking it's going to hit $5, not $1. If I had known more about crypto, I would have bought Sol at $9. Yeah, I bought most of my Sol at 12. IOTA, why is everybody picking things that have blasted off? It's absolutely insane. We gotta check out Paul first. Do you guys just like seeing giant green candles? I figured you guys would like to see the ones that like haven't moved yet, so that you can get into them and then make a ton of money. But you guys are like, nah, show me these green candles. So yeah, right now, Polygon, I was trading this earlier today. It worked out pretty well, but I'm still aiming at that 7267 level, but in reality, overhead resistance, I think it's like $1. I think it's $1. Like in reality. So Paul, we're looking for $1. Show me that some that haven't moved? Brother, I would love to. My money's mostly already invested, so yes, I just want to see green candles. Got it. What crypto do you know about that is still sleeping and that we can vet in? Well, Peng, been bringing this thing up for days. Still sitting down here. Fresh breakout again. Peng, just chilling. Just chilling down here. Waiting to give you 93% upside. Or 100. No, wait. Where are we at? Right there. 90% upside. Just waiting to give it to you. But no one gives a shit. No one cares. It's ready. It's prepared. It's there. We go to sushi. Same exact thing. It already started moving, but it's still low. It's still freaking low. Oh, man. Wow, what is Penguin all about? It's a meme. It's a Solana meme coin that came out last year. And if it doesn't rally in December, don't ever buy it again. It's literally a penguin. Look at sushi just to get to your weekly 200 moving average. Just to get to the weekly 200. You're looking at 164% upside. Look at the shit. Look at this. Barely broke out. Barely. But do y'all give a shit? No. Y'all don't care at all. I care more about your wallets than you do. Everybody wants to pick the thing that's running already. Stop it. Find something that's going to give you gains, damn it. Jesus. You're crazy. Or even better, start identifying when you can jump back into things that are already going so that you can be like, oh, I can profit from this still. Almost safely. Almost. Yeah, freestyle. We looked at XLM twice today. I'm not going back. Without XRP just ran first while XLM was consolidating. It's like they're taking turns now. It's absolutely crazy. But yeah, so if you guys are looking for entries, here's a learning moment. You can see from low to high right here, then you see where the pullback is. Now, understand what price normally will do. If we get another pullback, you are expecting that low to hold. Right down there. You're at an area in which, say we get some red candles, say we get some weird pullback like we did this morning, you would expect price to not go below this wick low here. So it does give you an opportunity to set a stop loss. So if you guys were trying to get in super late, because you guys like to look at a bunch of green candles, you can also see this wick low lined up with this wick high right here. So you have support there. Now let's say you were looking to take a long. So long position, let's make this a bit smaller so that you can get like the grasp of how much you could still make on this thing. So right there, your upside, your hard target is right here. Hard target. And then if you're looking for where the stop loss should be, right down here, right below that red line, right below it, you are now looking at a 15-to-1 ratio. 15-to-1 on sushi. You like eating sushi? Don't think I'll buy the coin. You don't have to buy it, just trade it. You don't have to buy it. That's the beautiful part. Just trade it. Because literally, I just showed you this, and the first thing, I wouldn't buy that. I don't like that. It sounds dumb. It's a DEX on Ethereum. It's literally a DEX. It goes alongside 1inch and Uniswap. Uniswap's the most popular, but you got these side DEXs. And you're turning down 216% upside while I'm talking about it. 216%. You're like, nah, I'm good. Let's go look at HBAR. Like, what? Y'all are wild. You guys are wild. This is why I say I care more about your wallet than you do. Reason why I don't trade certain things, I've been burned by them too many times in the past. It's a personal preference. I'll still give you TA on it. I'll tell you where to enter. Doesn't matter. My personal thing, I just wouldn't enter. Holy fuck, Uni. That came down. But yeah, then we look at Uniswap. So it's like, oh, I would go for a unicorn instead of sushi. Well, guess what? It already made a huge move. Now you're looking to try and break 14 to then hopefully get up into like Neverland Ranch. So let's see where Uniswap could go next. So if Uniswap manages, and noted, Uniswap looking awfully familiar, kind of looks like what sushi looks like. It also looks like what 1inch looks like. But if Uni breaks out $31 as the next level, right there, $30. $30.38. But the problem with this, you've already come up so far. You're looking for consolidation now. That's the problem with this one. So finding things that haven't moved yet, that's where you're going to make all the money still. Look at Turbo. We're waiting for a breakout. We're waiting to make sure we have our lows in place. The upside on this thing is stupid. 92%? Are we serious? Actually, it came down a little bit. 99%. Absolutely ridiculous. Anyways, enough of the rant. Let's get back to these requests. Is Elon going to use Doge? Mohammed, I have no idea. Honestly, I don't know. He likes to talk a lot about Dogecoin, but I don't know if he's doing it as a joke or not. I think he already accepts Dogecoin for payments for some things in his Tesla shop, but outside of that, I have no idea. OM and IOTA. All right, OM, it's pretty elevated. It's pretty elevated already. It's kind of high, but you are putting in this flag pattern, little flag here. But you can see you hit your 3618. This thing went absolutely crazy. I'm surprised it's not pulling back further. I'm really surprised. It does look like you're trying to bottom out. Looks like you're trying to. What I would love to see at this point is if you could maintain a wick above this level. If you could stay above that, that would be great. Let's just, for the sake of argument, say this thing is getting ready to rally again. Then you could see something absolutely crazy. Because you would be looking at anywhere between the 618, 786 is where I would be aiming. And that's 522 or 575. This looks kind of crazy. Your daily is trying to reset right now. What's your 4 hour doing? Holy shit, your 4 hours trying to reset too. That's insane. That's insane. So I guess if you wanted to gamble a little bit, I'm just joking. This is a lot of a gamble. This is a big time gamble. But if you wanted to gamble, thinking the trend is going to continue upward the way it is, you just need a stop loss, probably around like 324.21, and hopefully you don't get stopped out. If you do, start putting in those shorts, baby, because you didn't backtest a damn thing. Nothing at all. No backtest seen. Nowhere. Just gone. Yikes. So yeah, things like this really overbought. Really overbought. It's crazy. IOTA was asked, so let's check out IOTA. Which is currently up 28%. I am Lord Byron. You requested this. You requested this. Just remember that. You requested this. Where the request should have been. Where it is. Okay, alright. Just lining that up for you guys, so you know. Oh, where the request should have been. Oh my god. But it's okay. We just can't profit off this right now. It's fine. It's fine. No big deal. Really glad to be here. Looking at this asset that's up higher than heaven. It's fine. Nick. I forgot about Ape. Yeah, we'll check it out. We'll look at it next. I totally forgot. How many things do I have here? Alright. Right here? Nope. Right there? Right there. Alright, so if this thing continues, 68.15 is your next target. 68.15 next target. Can you check Rose? You put 10K at 7 cents. Where's the resistance levels? Thanks. Got you covered. Got you covered. Yep, that is the next area of resistance after that. So, big deal here. You're probably going to consolidate like crazy in this range because this is major markup phase up here. So, IOTA, it's currently above resistance at 42.39. If you stay above it long enough, 68.15 is your next target. That is your next target. Let's go down to your 4 hour. I know you're overbought on the daily, so it doesn't matter. You're overbought on the 4 hour. So, yeah, that's not a good look. Let's check your 1 hour. You're back to overbought. That's cute. All right. 15 minute. 15 minute is overbought also. All right. Yeah, it's overbought. So, I don't really know what else to tell you. Hopefully you hold support. That's all that matters now. Hold support. If you're not already in this, I wouldn't touch it with your money. I would not do that. Yeah. Anyways, let's go to ApeCoin. Jasmine's running right now too. That's crazy. Ape. I think Ape recently broke out, so I think Ape's actually in a really good place. Oh, it did break out recently. Ape's aiming for $2. And most likely you're going to hit $2.30. But you're in the middle of no man's land. You have a little bit of trading range back here. So maybe, just maybe, if you can stay above this level at 165.3 or yeah, stay above it, then you're cooking. Going $2 or $2.30. That is the target. So you're just kind of waiting for it to get there. If it does break that and keep going, first off, I'll be surprised. But secondly, you're looking at 287 after that. I know Ape decided to come up with their own like metaverse thing, but I don't really know what the project's doing to merit these higher prices. Kanto for next few week. Zach J, we can check it out. I don't know what Kanto is, but we can check it out. We gotta look at Rose first though. Ape went crazy in October before Bitcoin started taking off. I remember holding myself back from FOMOing. Smart move. Nick, no problem, man. No problem. I guess we should dive into it a bit more to see if you can... No, you can't. Missed the opportunity. Earlier today was your opportunity. Damn. But checking where the trend is going. Yeah, if I was in this trade, I would have my stop loss down here. I would be looking for $1.84. Anywhere between $1.84 and $2.10. I would be looking for that. Let's check in on my trades real quick. I want to check in on these. Looks like whiff. Finding a bit of resistance. Too bad. XFTM. Still holding strong. Love it. Love it. How can I tell if it's overbought? It's the relative strength down here. So, with your relative strength, if you're up in this territory like it was back here where it's in the green, that's how you know you're overbought. If it's down at the bottom in the red, that's how you know it's oversold. So, not an art form, it's just an indicator. Just an indicator. So you can see last time you were overbought was back here. You had a little bit of a pullback before you shot up. Bearish divergence was made. You then pulled back again. Now you're working your way to resetting and getting into overbought territory. You subbed? Well, thank you so much. I appreciate it. Zane, great request there. I like PHB actually. I do like it. I recently acquired some more of those tokens. We'll check it out. We got to check out Kanto. So let's look at Kanto. The USDT. Kanto. All right. Never been to this chart before. Never been here. Don't even know about it. I know nothing about... Oh, Jesus. Well, number one, you have no structure. You're in on sushi? Nice. Nice. I can't wait to hear how much money you make from it. I take it back. I don't actually want to hear how much money you make from it. I just enjoy the gains. Enjoy. Yo, Nick, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. Kanto, check Bonky next. Well, I can't check it next. We have another request after this. It's PHB, but then we'll check that out. Alright, so this thing needs to set up a little bit of structure. You're very likely to come up here and test 8.586. So plenty of upside. Plenty of upside. I mean, this thing is going up like 165% because you are so likely to do it. Let's try Link. Rich. Link is going nuts. What? Okay, we'll look at it. We'll look at it. But, yeah, very likely this is going to happen here. Rose, please. Freestyle. Did I not look at Rose? I felt like I looked at Rose. We'll look at Rose. We'll get there. I thought I looked at Rose. Did I get sidetracked? Maybe I got sidetracked. I don't even know anymore. No? Okay. Johnny, we looked at Pang. We looked at it. It is literally at the best buying opportunity ever. We looked at it. 100% to 780% upside. You buy now. God damn it, Johnny. You flipping through other channels. You cheating on me. You cheating on me. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. But yeah, so you have a little scraggly amount of resistance right here at 356, but the likelihood of you getting up to this overhead resistance, extremely likely. Extremely likely. So expect the 165% upside. Expect that. However, understand you only tested this level once. If the market goes down, you're going to most likely come back down to these levels to confirm a bottom. So keep that in mind when you're in on this bad boy. You are not overbought on the daily. Checking out the 4 hour, you're resetting to get ready for another launch up. So if you were getting into a fresh new trade on this bad boy, me personally, where I would put a stop loss would be right down here. Because of these candle closes, if it falls down, you're likely to find support here. So I would personally have a stop loss at 2796. That is where I would have a stop loss. And noted, I like to just... Oh, it lines up perfectly with overhead resistance. I like to go with the fib levels on this. So I would be aiming for the 7314. But you very well could hit 9950. Very well could hit it. And just to let you know, there's another chart that looked a lot like this one. And that's Kaspa. So with Kaspa, you literally saw the exact same thing where it's at these outrageously low prices and then you shot straight back up. Sorry, I was trading this. Let me fix this stuff. Sorry, hold on. Almost there. Hold on. Okay. So with this candle alone, this weekly candle was 155% straight up. And then as soon as the new week started, you hit that overhead resistance before you had your first pullback. So yeah, that's basically what I'm talking about with that particular asset. You were just talking about the, whatever that thing was called. So it's very likely to happen, but you saw the pullback and you were testing these highs down here. So yeah. Thought on dogs, good to buy now. No idea. Alright, we got to check out Rose. We got to check out Bond Key. Can we do dogs? We will, Savage. We will. We got to do PHB also. We got some other tokens to stare at first. Got some other tokens. PHB. There we are. All right. So, PHB, you are broken out. You are broken out. God damn it. I have so many damn drawings here. Shit. Amp. Johnny, you're asking for so many. Alrighty. So, since you are broken out on a PHB, your next target, 378.7. 378.7. But this is trending up. You have a low and a higher low. It's really all it takes to create the trend. So you are well on your way so far. You're just passing your 382. Oh my god, the 786. One of the higher common retraces, especially in bullish times, very likely to happen. So let's go out to the daily. Your daily is not overbought. I repeat, not overbought, which means we could still see upside. That's crazy. 4 hour, you did have a downtrend here. You broke out. I would prefer some form of backtest on this downtrend. I would greatly prefer that. You already set a low once. If you come down and you set the low twice, this thing might actually be actionable for a long. It just might be. Especially because you just recently broke out. You want to confirm the breakout is support. So let's get rid of this real quick. And let's see what could happen if this is the low that's being put in. We could see something in the neighborhood of this. So we would be looking for 348.5. Oh, okay. Are you fighting sleep, little one? Are you fighting sleep, little one?
And I don't want to just see, make sure you want to be sure. One.
My little girl says hi. It's hi. Say hi. Hi. You open a long at 217? Yikes. Love you. Good night. Yay! That's great. So you opened a long at 217 for this one? Hey, how's night going? It's going pretty good, Richard Day. Going pretty good. How's your night going? I feel like Johnny's just trying to get me to look at his entire watch list. So yeah, your 1 hour does look like it wants to reset, especially the stochastic. So you getting into a trade at 217. Interesting little choice there. I guess you got in right around here. Yeah, as long as you have that stop loss sitting below 2043, you should be okay. You should be. But yeah, personally I would be aiming for this 348.5, and if it continued to overhead resistance, I wouldn't even care, because, you know, the best thing about leverage trades is getting out with money. I would hate for it to like hit this and then retrace down and be like, it was so close. You know? I don't like it when that happens. I really don't. You made some money on ADA long, had it close at 132. Very nice. Very nice. XCN, Johnny, we already looked at XCN. You were here for that. No. Saying Brett. Filling up the chat. I love it. By the way, guys, if you could do me a huge favor, hit the likes. Hit the likes. I didn't even check how many we're at. We're at 27. Never mind. You guys are good. Thank you. I appreciate it. We're at 27, 28 viewers. If you haven't done so, hit the like. If you're new here. Oh, fuck. Alright. We gotta check out Rose. I skipped Rose again? Freestyle, you're killing me. Wait, no I didn't. We're in line right now. We're good. We're good. Bonky. I'm forgetting Bonky a lot. Glad Link finally started to pump. Yeah, I went up crazy. Went up crazy. Oh, Gray, you are behind on the stream. You are not current. So yeah, we got to check out Rose. Going the wrong way. Rose! It's beating Doodle! It's beating the Doodle! Oh my gosh! Rose on the breakout. That Doodle. Look at that. Look at how that Doodle look. It was working. It was working. It was doing it. Oh, that Doodle. We got beat. We got beat. I was expecting to trade sideways there. Anyways, now that Rose is broken out, we're looking for 22,534. Never mind, Bonky. It's not on TradingView. Oh, okay, gotcha. ALB? Sure. Sure. Crush the Doodle. It's beating the Doodle. Beating it. Crispy Lifestyle. Dang, we got Freestyle and Crispy Lifestyle. We're getting it. Fan favorite, good call. ALB is a fan favorite. But not the Velodrome one. Okay. Interesting. I thought everybody wanted the Velodrome one. Why don't you want the Velodrome one? What did the Velodrome one do? The girls never came! Alright. But yeah, Rose is looking solid. You're literally on a breakout. So if you can stay above 11,998, yeah, you're golden for 22,534. Golden! What do I think about Compound? Low market cap, so it would be nice to see it run. Butch. I don't know anything about the project, but we will look at the chart and I will tell you my thoughts. Promise. Soft like velvet. Velodrome soft like velvet. What? I don't even understand. So not Velodrome, but Velo. Got it. Bro, YFI, got you. Tia, I got you, Sam. Alright, Velo is broken out. Supply too little? For YFI? No, the supply doesn't matter. Especially in crypto, because you can always buy fractions. That's the only reason why the price goes so crazy. But you can always buy fractions. So Velo, it's well on its way. It's resetting its indicators on the 1 hour right now. And honestly, it's like, yeah, you do have overhead resistance at 24,615. You might consolidate there for a little bit, but your real target is 37,436. That's the real target. So Velo, it's just doing its thing, just chugging along, working its way up. If you're sitting here like, where could I get in? Where the stop loss would be? You'd have to be below this wick low here at 17,955. As long as your stop loss is below that right now, or if you raise your stop loss up to that into profits, you should be good. Should be. I don't know for a fact. I don't have a crystal ball, but should. Oh, your 4 hours not even overbought anymore. Yeah, you're fine. Velo, it's gonna chug along. You're sitting here basically at neutral territory. The buyers and sellers are chilling out. It's grabbing a little Gatorade, getting some chips, getting ready for the road trip. It's fine. So yeah, 87% upside is what I would be looking for. 87%. So let's look at comp. For Butch, I got you, Butch. So comp is right now taking off. You have overhead resistance at 92.21 and 99.34. That might be an area where a lot of profit taking happens, but considering how crazy bullish the market is, you might not see a turnaround. You might see it actually try to break out of it. And if you happen to break out of it, it noted could take you a while, but if you break out of it, your next target would be sitting around $170. And then right above that, you're looking at 245. So yeah, compound's looking pretty solid. You're just getting out of your accumulation range. And if you go up to test that 200 weekly moving average like so many crypto are doing right now, you're looking at $139. Kind of perfectly lined up for it too. So yeah, no, compound's looking pretty solid, Butch. Hopefully you're already into it. Hopefully. Going down to your 4 hour, you're still a little bit overbought. So this is why, you're entering overbought territory while hitting overhead resistance. This is not the area where you would be getting into a fresh long. You would wait for consolidation. You would wait. Or maybe I should say one would wait. Yeah. AIT, please. We'll get there. We got to look at YFI. And by the way, Johnny, I don't actually know which cryptos you really do want me to look at, but yeah, I appreciate all the engagement in the chat. I really do appreciate that. We have 28 likes on the live. Thank you very much. I appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you. Alrighty. YFI. Currently up 5%. Oh, it's breaking. It's going. It's about to hit overhead resistance. Thanks, bud. You got 250 share. Whoa. Tokens. At $59. Nice. Making that money, Butch. Hopefully you stick around. We're trying to make all the money in this crypto. So yeah, join the Discord if you're not a part of it. We do like taking advantage of this market. We really do. And then also I post trade setups like every time I find them. Kind of like the 3 I posted today. And my Discord's free for anybody new here. I don't have a paywall in there. If you feel like tipping the Discord, there's an option for that. It's a monthly subscription, but yeah, everything in there is free. All free. I'm not making any courses either. Because I don't have the patience to actually build out a course. I really don't. But anyways, YFI, if you manage to break this 9,229, 11,387 is your next target. And what do we have after that? We have the markup phase. The markup phase could get crazy. You would legitimately be looking at $25,430. Discord, Pimosa, yeah. You can just go down to the panels, and it's right down there. In the panels. Also, it's popping up in the chat. It'll pop up every so often. Better yet, Pimosa. Good day, Chewy. How you doing? Thank you for no paywall. Yeah, no problem. There's no paywall. There is no paywall at all. Welcome in. Welcome in. Yeah, I didn't realize I actually had to tell people there was no paywall. But yeah, there's no paywall. How you doing, bro? I'm doing great. The trades are going well. Things are looking good. I'm doing great. Doing A-OK. Took some profits today on XYO. Let's go, Chewy. Let's go. Love it. Did you already check out ICP? It's been slowly creeping up. I wonder if it's good for bad compared to HBAR and XRP. Crispy Lifestyle, we did check it out. I mean, we'll circle back. We'll get there. We'll get there. That's not even the mark. Wow. So yeah, YFI, if it happens to break this 9,200 level, we could very well be looking at $21,487. That's for real right there. That is for real. AIT, we'll get there, dumb money. We'll get there. How could you skip a fan favorite? I don't even know what the fan favorite is. I just know YFI was in the requests, and I'm pretty sure it was... What was the fan favorite? I don't know what it is. I'm supposed to look at Tia next for Sam. I don't know what you're talking about. We looked at Velo. ALB, totally forgot. You're right. I missed it. I missed that. That's on me. That's on me. That's on me. But we're going to finish looking at YFI real quick. Then we'll go to that. Then we'll go to TIA. And then AIT. Yeah. See what happens when you guys go rapid fire? I start forgetting shit. It's not my fault. It's yours. On your 4 hour, you're getting into overbought territory while hitting resistance. So, idea of a fresh long right now, kind of a bad idea. But you're going to do whatever it is you're going to do. On your 1 hour, you're entering overbought territory as well. Yeah, this one, if you're not already in it, just wait. Wait for the indicators to reset. Just wait. Or just expect to get stopped out. It's either or. Either or. Whatever you're into. We don't kink shame around here. We don't do that. Some guys like being told what to do. Other guys like to be treated like a puppy. It's a weird world to live in. You know? People are going to do what they're going to do. Anyways. So, we got to get into ALB. ALB, I don't even... Where is ALB, guys? Where's ALB? What is it? Did you guys really choose ALB? Is it a stock? Sure as hell not a crypto. Sam, we're gonna get to TI. I skipped over ALB and I don't know. Alien Base. God. I don't even think it's called ALB. Alien Base Token. ALBW ETH. Oh my god. You've looked at it before. Have I? Yeah, it's this shit, isn't it? Jesus Christ. Exactly. Jesus Christ. Was it this? How did I look at it? I did look at this. You guys could have mentioned it was a weird one. Sheesh. Yeah, it looks like you broke out and you're holding support. Let's go, Alien Base. Woo! Resetting on the daily. It's been out for like a year. I don't know. I don't buy this stuff. I don't even know what this is. If you manage to hold support. 6797 to 7563. Those are your targets. If you hold support. Even my computer doesn't like this chart. It's getting all stuttery on me. Yikes. So you could see 62 to 79% upside. And if it goes buck wild, well, 97 cents. Maybe you'll hit $1. Maybe. The elusive dollar. So $3 price target soon. Got it. HQZ. No one ever said that. No one ever said that. All right, let's jump into Tia. It's actually really close to a support level, so I don't have to really dive in. When is a good time to get in? Because right now, technically is. All right, Tia. Tia did something ugly. Did something real ugly. We don't like that, Tia. Where's Tamara? She was better anyways. All right. You're kind of rounding at the top here. I would expect a backtest at 682.9. Just because of this rounded top. That has me worried. Your daily's looking a little rough. Looking at the 4 hour. 4 hours looking even more rough. You lost your 50 simple. You need to get back above that. That's really what Tia needs to do. You currently have a downtrend right now. So until you break this local little downtrend, you gotta think you need to hold support at 682.9. That is the idea right now. Hold that support, we could see a lot of upside. If you don't hold support, you're coming back down to $5.40. Okay, closing long. I never said to do that. Just remember, I never said that. It's just your 4 hours giving me, in your 1 hour. Gross. Not looking great. So yeah, we're going to see what happens after this consolidation is over, because even after you break out, you're going to want to confirm a low. So the rally can continue. When do I close H-bar short? I have no idea, Zane. I'm surprised you opened a short on H-bar. I have no clue. I guess we can go check it out. And understand, none of this is financial advice. Okay? This is all for your entertainment value and education on how to read charts. Alright? Oh boy. Where is the AIT? Yeah, this thing, I would expect it to come and hit support. That's my expectation. But if you manage to break out, if this thing managed to get crazy bullish, then you could see it at 1190. So always take in consideration the bull and the bear case. The reason why I say that is because we're in a very weird bullish market. So you could be looking at holding support from this low. You could be. If this is the case, you have a lot of upside. A lot of upside. So remember, I didn't tell you to close the long. All I said was I would expect a back test. That's all I said. But you do have this wick here that you kind of tried to hold as support. So yeah, don't make any rash decisions here. AIT, dumb money's been waiting for AIT for a while. We'll check out Link. I know you guys requested it like a while ago, but it was up over 20% today. Chill out. It's moving. Also, I've never looked at AIT, so I don't know what it is. So I'm curious. Never looked at this. Well, doesn't this look cute? You had your low, you had your second low. Do we have... Okay, I guess it's too early. No idea if there was bullish divergence or not. But then you have your higher low. This has my attention. This is neat. Yeah, that's kind of nice. Ooh, and it lined up with your previous low. This is nice. Rose to 729 next. Maybe, if that's what I said. I forgot. I just look at the charts, bro. I completely no idea after I talk about it. I do the same thing while trading. I just put in the trade and I walk away. I have no clue if it's going to pan out or not. So that's why I have to check in on it so often. I don't know. Because remember, TA will just give you probabilities based off history. It will not actually tell you where the price is going. It is just probabilities based off the past. So if you're looking at brand new tokens, just throw the TA out the window and find out if the community's strong or not. Like, honestly, it's kind of like that. But if you got a little bit of history, it helps tremendously because everyone else is looking at the same thing. All right, so this thing did find a support level twice, and now you're starting to move. It might actually be actionable for a lot. That's surprising. As long as you get a stop loss below this higher low at 8721, you could be seeing a rally, more than likely up to 22639. That is crazy. And if you break that, 31963 is your next target. Looking pretty darn neat. You're probably low. Yep, you're low on the 4 hour. It's looking good. Looking good. This one's pretty simple because you're coming out of your lows. So, I mean, let's just say you got two targets, 44 and 94% upside. AIT looking pretty solid. Looking pretty solid. All right, we got to look at Link. Rune. Wait. Sam, you said Rune. We didn't even look at Rune today. What? You brought up Rune? Since you're asking for a level, I'll just go look at it real quick just to see if that is the next level. Next level, 722.8. 722.8 and then 1120.05. Those are the levels I have. So I get my levels off the weekly, not the daily. Just so you know, Sam. Just so you know. Alright, let's go into low cap. Dumb money, that one's a low cap. Sweet. Gotcha. Link. Gotta find Link. Link getting a mild retracement. Very mild. Overhead resistance is at 2766. From there, I don't know how much higher you have. From there, you'd be looking at 3362. Link is on an absolute tear, but also, this is like one of the most disrespected crypto in the entire space. Most interchain operability would not work unless Link actually was working. Love the vibes here, Sam. I'm happy that you enjoy it. So yeah, Link, you're just trying to hit overhead resistance. You're starting to get into overbought territory on the weekly. Last time you were in overbought territory on the weekly, you put in a little hidden bearish divergence. You had that massive downtrend. Be careful at this resistance. Maybe you get a push up to 33.74 and then start another downtrend. So be careful with Link. Don't forget to take your profits. Take a little risk off the table so you have some funds to buy the dip. Just a thought. Just a thought. XYO. Seagold getting delisted from Coinbase as well in January. Sorry, Chewy, I just saw this. What? What is Seagold? I've never even seen that thing. That's about it for today, though. Oh, that's the latest news. Let's see what XYO did. Yeah, smart move on taking those profits, because holy shit. That was a 163% run it just took. Holy. If XYO keeps going, maybe you hit 28869. I would expect a pullback. This thing looks absolutely crazy. Absolutely crazy. And I don't even know when we first looked at this thing was. But it went ape shit. This little consolidation turned into this. Wow. On the new day, you're up 70%. Yeah, I would take profit too. I would have sold off my whole bag, honestly. I would have sold off the whole damn thing. Would not have thought twice. I would have been like, I'm out. Deuces. Did I check Moondag already? Yeah, I did. What's my position on YFI? YFI looks like it's going to break out. Looks like it's going to break out after some consolidation. That's what it looks like to me. Pimosa. Sorry, I'm trying to keep up with all of the chat. When it comes to the lack of chatters on Twitch, it makes it to where I start missing some of the Twitch chat. So I'm sorry to all of the Both of you over on Twitch. Sorry. T Toka NPC this guy. What does that mean? I don't even know what T Toka means with that. And you didn't show up in the normal chat. Is NPC a blocked word? Damn, you got more viewers on YouTube. Oh yeah, definitely way more on YouTube. Way more. So yeah, that's XYO. Let's go down to Sui. Sui is going up. So yeah, this is that weird thing I was talking about. It could try to push up if it breaks out. If it breaks 380, you could be looking at anywhere between the 618, 786, or the 100% retracement up here for the trend. You're looking at 513 as a swing for the fences shot right there. Maybe it goes farther. I don't know. It's been consolidating for a long time. Pretty much reset most of its indicators. You are not overbought on the daily anymore. You got a low stochastic. If you were to fall, you could see yourself back down to 236.51, but we're in hyper bullish times. So yeah, kind of is what it is. Could be seeing some upside. Things I don't like about it, it's the 4 hour. I really don't like that. That stochastic swinging straight up as you're hitting resistance, that's a problem. I think the 1 hour was looking bad too. Yeah, 1 hour doesn't look the best. It's trying. It's doing its best. But I would say wait till morning, see what this thing looks like, and then make a decision. Entering anything on this thing overnight, I don't know if that's a great idea. Sui seems to pump on days when everything else is cold. And sometimes, yeah. Sometimes. I just don't like that it front ran the entirety of like the bullish time for all the altcoins. So I feel like they're all getting the love while Sui is just getting to chill out. Gets to sip some Mai Tais by the pool. Anyways, now let's go ahead and look at WIF because I haven't looked at that in a while, and I'm in the trade. So let's see what it's doing. We're up 1.5%. Let's go, baby. I'm still looking for that 86% and new all-time high. So I am expecting this to do something good. The 1 hour time frame not looking great with that high stochastic. There's a possibility I get stopped out of this tonight on a stupid liquidity grab. It could happen. I need this thing to break above resistance at 320 before I go to sleep to feel comfortable. If it does not, I'm probably going to close out the long. Probably going to close it out. I don't like that. I really don't like that. That's a problem. Now, let's go ahead and check the 4 hour. 4 hours nice and low. The 4 hour looks good. It gives me those feel-good feelings. How jumbled we are with these moving averages, also a little worrisome. It makes it to where people could try selling this thing off. They could desperately try. The positives I see are the fact that you had a downtrend, you broke out of it, you tested it once, you tested it twice, you maintained these levels, but the part that bothers me is I don't have a stop loss below, sitting at like 287.5. I don't have it that low. So that's the worrisome part. 28423. I have no reason not to have it that low. Alright, so maybe I'm just going to lower it down there before I go to bed, and we'll be fine. But you know what? No, I'm going to forget. I'm going to do it now. 288.4. We're going to do that. 288.4. We're just going to change this real fast on WIF. To 884. XRP is making a nice flag. Wild. Alright, will suck if I get stopped out of this one. It would suck. That would suck a lot. Is that Bybit? No, Sam. This is Weeks. We're affiliated with Weeks. This is where we are. Wish I could leverage trade. I don't have the cojones for that. Well, hopefully, Crispy Lifestyle, you decide to stick around for a while in the community, and maybe you will get a little more comfortable with the idea. Because leverage trading is very nice, and it's very good to learn, especially going into like... Actually, if you were in a bear market, you would love knowing leverage trading. You would love it. Because like 5% you could actually make some decent money from. But yeah. Just risk management, my man. That's true. Risk management. That's what it's all about. Literally went from 100 to 1,000. Yeah. Yeah, that's... Yeah. It was funny. On the election day, because the market was so very volatile, I did that same thing. I turned 100 into 1,000. It was great. That was a volatile day. That day was crazy. That day was absolutely insane. Oh, VThor going up a lot. What's Vet doing? Vet's up a lot. Oh, shit. I didn't realize Vet was going up so much. I'm just holding a bunch of that. That's cool. That's cool. All right, so this is one trade I'm in. I'm in WIF. I'm also in FTM and FIL. So let's bounce in there real quick. Oh, wait. We were in the neighborhood. We might as well check out XRP's flag. Might as well. Since we're in the neighborhood, XRP's going up again. Still aiming for $3. What do you mean flag? What time frame are you on, Rich? Are we getting another day where you're like, I'm on the 5-minute, bro. I'm on the 5-minute. Check this flag out. This flag be flagging, yo. 5-minute. Yeah, what a flag. 4 hour. The 4 hour doesn't show a flag. Oh. 5 minutes showing a flag. Showing a breakout of a flag. Unless you bring it up here. Nice little flag out. Super bullish territory. For those who care for a short-term scalp trade, you'd be looking for XRP to hit, wow, $3.22? Anywhere between 308 and 322. Go figure. Portfolio's loving H-bar. Yep. Rising wedge on 30. That's just all the makings of a short squeeze, Sam. It's all the makings of a short squeeze. I'll look at this in the morning, see how it panned out. All right. Let's go up to FTM real quick. I want to see how much it's moving back. Moving backwards. Because I would love if it started rallying again. Oh, it's starting to pick up a little steam. Like to see. Oh, shit. FIL moving. Let's go, baby. All right. On the 5-minute, FTM looking solid. On the 15, though. 15-minute, so much resistance. That long just closed. Nice. Nice. I haven't even checked your XRP. It's on a cold wallet somewhere. Yeah, that sounds about right. Probably bought it 3 years ago, 4 years ago. Actually, like 5 years ago. Back when it was 23 cents. You're like, forget this thing. It doesn't matter. It's not going to move. It's a stable coin. Anyways, yeah, no, FTM's looking pretty solid. You're finding a lot of support off of this 117.77. As long as we maintain that, my target is up here at $1.4722. Hard target is 162.71. Your FTM long is still open. Very nice. So is mine. So is mine. Currently, we are up 293%. I opened this morning. So not a bad trade. Not a bad trade. WIF's doing good. On the copy trade side, we're in Filecoin. So Filecoin is now starting to move. It's now starting to move. My target for Filecoin is sitting at this, what was that, 893.8? But the hard target, 981.12. Do you need a VPN for weeks? No, you do not, Sam. No, you do not. Nor do you need one for buy DeFi. they are USA, Canada, and UK friendly as well. I highly recommend a lot of you open up multiple exchanges. I usually like to have 5 at a time, but right now I only have 4 because I've been very lazy. But yeah, it's a good idea to have multiple exchanges. You'll understand when you start opening up like larger sums when it comes to your leverage trades. It's better to spread them out so that one exchange doesn't just start ruining all your trades. You think XRP is about to pop up? Simply better? Yeah. Yeah, I just mapped that out. $3.08 is one of the targets. $3.08, brother. Honorable mention. Let's check out what Sin did today. One of the other posts that I had in the Discord. Sin. Let's see what it's doing. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Would you look at that? You're about to hit that first target. Oh no. Dope trade, FTM. Yep. But yeah, about to hit target 1. NBD. How do you know how much to take out when taking profits? Are you talking about leverage trades or spot trades? NBD, because it kind of turns into whatever you feel comfortable with. I need a little context. Spot or leverage? On spot? So the way I like to do it, we're going to utilize Kava for the example. The way I like to take profits, considering the way that I like to accumulate, so what I like to do is I accumulated a boatload around these levels. I also accumulated a lot up here. So my literal break even was 61 cents. After an entire year, I am now in profit on Kava. I'm very happy about it. But my first profit taking level still does not change. First profit taking level is up here at $2.93, because down in this range here, this is my accumulation range. So needless to say, the idea is, let's just say we on average have $1.20, which it's not. My average is 61 cents, but I would be looking to pocket half of all the tokens I have. I would take out half, literally at the first profit taking level, just in case we get a pullback. I have some money to throw in. If we don't ever get a pullback, well, I don't really care, because now I have some money to go put it into whatever other project I want. But when it comes to my second profit taking level up here, I would only have half the tokens I originally had. I would then still chop this in half one more time. So as I chop this in half, now I'm down to a quarter of my original holdings. And this is what I refer to as my moon bag, where I would then let that run from now for basically the next year. I just see where it goes. But my average cost here is all the way down here at like 61 cents. We'll just put it at 62. So my half offerings are still getting 375% on the gains. And then of course, the last quarter is getting about almost 5x. From there, no idea where this thing's going to go, but I just let it run. If we end up getting some dips and they look really good, really tantalizing, and I'm like, oh dang, this thing's about to run, I might buy the dip And if I buy the dip, it would be because we find support either right here or more likely down here at $1.64, where then I could just throw some money back in. And I'm excited because now I got more tokens to still take profit here. So I would still be taking profit here no matter what. I would end up with 25% of all of my tokens as a moon bag as soon as we cross over 383. Automatically right there. And likelihood, I'm either buying Bitcoin depending on what the market looks like, or I start having a shit ton of fun in meme coins. So you guys started noticing in Discord, I started posting a lot of meme coins. Yeah, it feels like the time to start accumulating a bunch of meme coins. So that's what I do. That's how I take profits. Everybody has their own style. I know there's some people, they're like, I'm just going to hold it until the end, and then all of a sudden they miss the top, and then they're like, I'm going to hold it until the end of next cycle. Like, I don't understand why anybody does that. I'll always say, take profits on the way up, and then leave a moon bag. At least you took your profits. You hate Coinbase? Everyone hates Coinbase. Everyone hates Coinbase. You're in Mana. Now, do you have an opinion on if it's going to pop or drop? The gaming tokens, they haven't really popped off yet, so I think it just got started. But I know Mana took off the other day. Let's see what it's doing. Oh, you hate Coinbase. Coinbase sucks. Coinbase literally sucks. So yeah, if you're spot trading Mana, you would still be holding. You would still be holding. Thank you. I missed the top last time, so I don't want to mess it up this time. Yeah, NVD, a lot of people do that. A lot of people round trip it. It's fine. I always just take the profits. So yeah, like right now, Mana, it's in its accumulation range, but you're at the top of the range. You should have stopped buying back down here. Down at like 40 cents. So because you were in this range for such great periods of time, that's where you accumulate the most. Anyways, yeah, Mana, you're still looking at $1.48. Still looking at $1.48. You're waiting for it to get up there before you're even like, oh yeah, let's just take profits, cut bait and run. If you break that 148, well now the party's really getting started, because your next target is 210 to 273. Like super high. I think trailing stop loss is a good strategy to take profits even on long-term trade. Yeah, that works too. Trailing stop loss works way better for like leverage trades, just because you never know when the market's going to turn. So I know I close every stream out with saying keep your stop losses tight. That's what I'm talking about. Just raise up those stop losses. Make sure you don't lose those gains. So it's like, oh man, I got stopped out. You get stopped out in profit. That's good. Because like this morning, oh man, if you had any leverage longs, it's like they were just trying to get rid of all of the longs they could. It was absolutely insane. So there are some people who had their longs open and they never changed their stop loss, and they're like, I got burned. Dang. It happens. But yeah, I definitely think Mana, you're not even overbought on the weekly yet. Could definitely pop. Oh my gosh. Yeah, Mana's getting ready to pop. Holy crap. You already pulled back from resistance once. You held support. And now you're getting that next leg running. Holy crap. Yeah, Mana could do some damage this week. Sheesh. Mana looks kind of crazy. Oh, I also got to check out on LRC. I gave you guys this trade setup a while ago. Yeah, looks like it's moving. Look at that. Gave it to you guys on the 30th. You're already up. We're aiming for that 50% move. 36.53 is the target. Looking good. Looking good. I didn't realize LRC was pushing up so hard. You usually leave your stop loss open price, but you leave them open longer than you? That's fair. Yeah. A lot of people leave their leverage trades open way longer than me. Can we check Crow? Yeah, we can check out Crow. By the way, guys, if you all can do me a favor, please hit the like button. That does help out the stream a lot. We're still trying to hit 1,000 subscribers. We're still over here, not there. We need to get there. Did somebody ask for dogs earlier? I feel like somebody asked for dogs earlier, and I completely skipped it. Sorry that I skipped it. Crow. Fresh breakout of the recent downtrend. Very nice. 21. You're likely to go up to 37,793. American-based crypto right here. Not to mention they got the Crypto.com arena. Looking to run. Looking to run. Freshly broken out. So likely you would break past it and hit 41,068, getting your 1618. Looks pretty sauced up. Looks good. Looks good. I don't know if you're trying to get into a new trade or if you've been in it, but Slick Rick, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate it. MJ Works Easy, thank you so much for the sub. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Thank you so much. So yeah, we are definitely looking for a lot of upside on this bad boy. You might find some resistance at 27,234 and 30792, but I mean hard target. You're looking at 37,793. You're likely to wick above it, and that's where that 1618 comes into play. That's what you'd be looking at. Jin Quan, no problem. Yeah, I think somebody asked about dogs earlier. I completely forgot. Completely forgot. But dogs looks like it's getting ready to rally. 4 hours looking actually really good for it. Oh, go figure. So if you manage to break above this resistance, this low level of resistance, 11057 could be coming in. Dogs looks pretty darn good, and you can strategize a stop loss. Huh. Sweet. No one asked about dogs. Kappa. Somebody did. I remember somebody was like, my thoughts on dogs. They probably left. Can I take a look at Shib? Sure. We can look at Shib. See, somebody's asking about the Shib dog. Shib, we are still waiting. Still waiting to hit our target from all the way back here. Back in August. Still waiting. What'd you think about Spell? Nanya? Spell, it's going up. I forgot what I think about Spell. I looked at it, but I forgot. We'll have to go back to it. So yeah, Shib's looking like it's finally going to get up to its target. Finally. But holy crap, this took forever. More money. Everything I had you look at ran up a lot. That's what's up, Mo Money. That's what's up. That is what's up. So yeah, this thing, we're just waiting for overhead resistance. Just waiting. Spell is an ETH utility. Is it really? Just came back to the stream. Sorry guys, and thanks again, boss. Great channel. Nanya, I'm glad you enjoy. If you happen to break this 3854, you'll be looking for 6716. If you're trying to get into a fresh long, it's kind of rough because your stop loss would have to be down here below 2241. It's almost not even worth it. So hopefully you're already in the trade and hopefully you're enjoying the gains. But man oh man, has this taken forever. Shib Army losing strength. They need to hit the gym. They need to hit the gym. Alright, let's go back to Spell. Go check out Spell. Why the hell does my week's verification code not work? Did you have that issue? Oh, try using the code. Hold on. Let me get it. 6G2Y. 6G2Y. So 6G2Y. Use that code and it should go through just fine. 6G2Y. There's no super chat, but you can still donate. That's true. Rich, that is true. Confused why you put that. Did I miss something in the chat? All right. Going down to spell. Where's the P? Hold on. Am I blind? I'm blind. Okay. Sheesh. I am blind as a bat. Oh boy. There you go. No problem, Sam. Thank you. Thank you. So spell. We're still waiting for it to hit overhead resistance. You are currently hitting overhead resistance, but it looks just fine. Just looks like a bit of consolidation before you try getting that push up to 15268. Turbo looking good, bro. But it also looks like it's coming down a little bit. So there's that. We'll check it out real fast. But yeah, spell, it's just consolidating, looking for the next leg up. Just consolidating. No biggie. No biggie. TrueFi is going up right now? A lot? Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Alrighty. So for Turbo, it's nice that we got a higher low. That's nice. 4 hour back above the 50 simple. Oh, we might actually be trying to make a move. Let's go, Turbo. Problem with Turbo right now is the fact that we haven't confirmed a low yet. It's like we came down to a support level and we shot out of there. Now we're getting a higher low. That's kind of a problem because we're still in this downtrend. We haven't broken out yet. So as of this moment in time, you would need a stop loss below 6690 and hope that it doesn't touch support at 6068. That's the biggest problem I see with Turbo at the moment. But once you break this downtrend, it's going to be a lot more clear because you should be able to hold 7591 as support, and then you'd be looking for Turbo to run up to 15179. Turbo will have its day. It definitely will have its day. It's just not today or this week. Because, I mean, you're looking at like December 9th over here, Monday, where it literally could just push all the way out to here, unless you get something weird, like you pop up, then you drop down, hold support, touching support here on the demand line, then you take off. Hemule? Ian, what is up? We'll check out Hemule. Have I looked at that, guys? I don't know if I've looked at Hemule. I feel like I'm saying it with an accent. That's terrible. But yeah, 4 hour looks really good for Turbo. The 1 hour makes it to where I would not get into a trade tonight. That 1 hour just scary to me. Scary. And considering how far back you came, oh jeez, that's rough. Maybe you're finding support at the 6988. It's a little too risky while you're still in this downtrend. Wait for the breakout. Just wait for the breakout. Find out where the back test is. See what the traders are doing. Till then, just wait. Hemule? Is that how I say it? The part man, part mule. He mule. That is literally the name of this thing. Okay, sure. He mule. Never heard of this. Never. I've been here. Why have I been here? The fuck? I would like to hire you for a side project. Project. I can assure that I am a man of business. I'm so confused. I'm so confused. 6 green trades in a row. Let's effing go. Let's go, Pimosa. Let's go, baby. Hopefully you compounded those. Those would be crazy. Where would you... Oh, where would I re-enter Sin? That's a good question. I don't know. It's already running. We'll look at it. We'll look at it. Zane, bullish. Yeah, this thing, Himule, looking good. Did I look at this the other day? As long as you stay above 6783, you're golden. You're looking for 11395, which I guess last time I looked at it, I was like, hey, 65% upside. And if you break out, 185% upside. Looking sauced up. Daily's trying to reset right now. Looking actually pretty decent. Looking pretty decent. You can strategize your stop loss. But your low, higher, low, third, higher, low. This thing's looking good. Looking really good. Let's check the 4 hour. Oh yeah, your 4 hour's ready to go. Holy. 4 hour looking ready to go. I wouldn't do that. Hold on. I wouldn't do that. So you're waiting for a breakout of this trend here. Why would I do this trend? Because you had a sharp drop, a buyback, and then you dropped again, setting a new downtrend. That's why I would mark it out from here. I know there's somebody who was like, hey, wait a minute. Why aren't we going from the top? It doesn't look right. That's the only reason I don't go from the top there. It doesn't look right. Your 1 hour's trying to get more bullish on you. Damn phone. I can assure you I'm a man of business. Got it. Would you be able to look at C? Sure. I can look at that. I can look at that. By the way, guys, join the Discord. It is a free Discord where I just want more like-minded individuals in there to join us, and we all make money. It's free. Just join us. And then also get notified every time I post a video or go live. We cover meme coins, everything. All of it. We cover it all. So, yeah, just join in. We're trying to make this market our bitch. That's what we're doing. We're trying to make it our bitch. We're trying to make generational wealth out here. So yeah, Hemule looking pretty darn solid. Anywhere between that 65 to 185% upside. Sushi already looking good. I'm sorry. Did you think I was giving you bad information? Damn. Damn, Byron, that hurts. My soul. Damn, that's fucked up. Ian, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate you. Hopefully we get to 1,000 sooner than later. C. You are currently breaking up. Oh, wow. Found some good support there. Holy shit. I didn't realize it did that. Nah, I'm just co-signing. Alright, I appreciate that. Yeah, C looks like it's about to try and fight its way above that demand line. Holy crap. Your 1 hour doesn't want it. Your 1 hour doesn't want it. Your 1 hour needs to go train some more. But your 4 hour, it's trying. It's trying its damnedest. This thing's trying to become the next Rocky Balboa out here. Trying to defy all odds, breaking above 2 levels of resistance. Holy crap. If you do break out, you're likely to get to 96.27. But I would expect a lot of chop right here, and then trying to maintain support. I would be expecting that, but you never know with this market. You just never know. Going out to your daily. Daily did not even reset all the way. It was like, you know what? We went down far enough. Let's go. So, a little bullish that you did break a resistance. You tested it twice so far. Love to see that. If this thing does rally, you could see a very substantial move. Could see it. 42% upside is possible. Are you still bearish on Dogecoin? Dream tanks? No. No, I'm not, actually. I am not. Gen Con, great TA. I appreciate that. Thank you. But yeah, see, we just got to break that resistance there. It's holding strong. We shall see. I would love to see the test. Just go up and then hold support. That's what I want. That's what I want. Anyways, you did put a floor in, which is great. So if you are getting into a fresh new trade, you know exactly where to put that stop loss. That's absolutely amazing. So, needless to say, get your levels right. Get your levels right. If you go up to the 618 and you stop there and you pull back down and you hold support here at the 382, you could see something beautiful happen. Not just the 42% upside, it might even wick up to a 51% move. You could see something like that out of C. Didn't realize that was a play on words, but it was. Feels good. Feels good. All right, we got to go check out Arrow and Ondo. Okay, all right. Since we're closer to the O's, we'll check out Ondo first, which has gone absolutely nuclear. KB two-tone, absolutely nuclear, all-time highs. I'm not sure what thoughts you have or you want me to have on this, except for you have broken all resistance. You have broken it all. There's no other resistance to be found right now outside of fib levels. So currently, you're trying to break that 100% retrace up. If you stay above that, the 1618 is at 227. So that would be your next target, 227.49. If it keeps going, then 336.939. That's all I got for you because you're in price discovery. Price discovery, brother. XYO still broken. Just hit my last target out of your spot trade as of today. Expect 10% of Moonbag. Accept 10% of Moonbag. Chewy, that's what's up. Smart moves, Chews. Smart moves. Now throw it all into sushi. Oh boy. Or kava. Sushi might be better. My bears are bullish on. So, Dream Tanks. I'm bullish on the whole market right now. I just don't know if it's great for like entering fresh longs. That's all I don't know. Kava still didn't get into that one. Have a bag of sushi already. Very nice. Yeah, Kava. Jump in there. Kava, just today. I am officially in profits. Today. By 4 cents. You're looking at Krill? We'll have to take a look at Krill. Let's take a look at that. Alright. So looking at your 4 hour, this thing is overbought like crazy for Ondo. Looking at your 1 hour, overbought, trying to reset and hold support. That's crazy. Trying to hold support, checking your 15-minute, which is probably, yep, 15-minute wants to rally. So Ondo is looking to keep the party going. Looking to keep the party going. For you scalp traders out there, you degenerates, yeah, your target for this thing would, if it holds this support here, you'd be looking for like 216.31. Yeah, so that's Ondo, looking for that 216.31. If you're trying to scalp at these all-time high levels like a crazy person, you're looking for like 31% upside, which I don't recommend. You're at all-time highs, let it create a structure, but hey, do as you please. Real world asset play, you're absolutely right. Real world asset, yeah. Whoop whoop for the diamond hands, Chewy. I feel bad for all of them. I feel bad for them. All right, after Ondo, what did we have? The hell did we have after Ondo? Wait. I lost it. Arrow. AEO. Wolf on AVAX. Jonathan. We'll check it out. We'll get there. Shit. What was that? AERO. AERO. I don't have it. Okay, sure. Why not? Aerodrome Finance. XRPH. What the? Is that a real token? Are you being serious? Recommended moving your stop loss as sushi goes up. Byron, so you would be looking at the fib levels to move those up. Whiff. Mooning. Is it really? Or are you lying to me? Your idea of mooning is crazy, Pimosa. Your idea of mooning is absolutely crazy. This is not mooning. Get off the 1 minute chart. You're killing me here. I'm literally on a leverage trade. I would know if it's mooning. It's not. How dare you? Get my hopes up and shit. Jesus. I'm expecting that thing to go up 85%. I thought it was going to be up like 30%. More money. Cap Games, Nest, and Tencent. There's no way you're telling me to look at 3 separate tokens right now, right? Look it up, broski. Up 1,200% in the past month. XRPH. Okay. If it's already up 1,200%, are you still calling it a gem? Because I would be waiting for a pullback. Personally. Alright, so Arrow. Sorry, getting back into this. Arrow, it is now hitting the 618. Now hitting your 618, you're still looking for $1.897 to 2.027. It's working its way up there. Give it time. If you get that 1, you're going to get to 212.3. Still undervalued. Look up the white paper. I won't do that. The best thing about most of these tokens in a bear market, they all go practically to zero. So I just utilize all these things to buy more Bitcoin, if I'm being honest. Anytime people are like, it's the future, I'm going to diamond hand this thing. It's like, ooh, don't do that. Take profits. Take profits. Buy yourself a Lambo. Don't do that. But yeah. There's no way I'm going to read the white paper, if I'm being honest. I won't actually even look it up. I'll look at its chart. I will look at its chart for you, but I definitely will not read a white paper. You want me to check out Prime? Oh, no. Steven, remember what I just said. Into a bear market. So, you have to look at it this way. Bitcoin probably has like 50% of a drop. Whereas your favorite meme coin is going down 99%. Yeah, there's big difference. Big difference. Oh boy. Alrighty, so that's what I see out of Arrow. Arrow's looking pretty solid. Still moving on up. Moving on up. And I know every single time I get somebody who gets mad at me for saying that, but then we pull up any chart that's an altcoin. They all went down anywhere between 88 to 99%. So I always say, take your profits and then buy a bunch of Bitcoin with whatever you don't want to pay taxes on. Just buy the Bitcoin. Hang on to it. Hang on to it. Fabian Rays. Is this your first time here? I saw that you want e-gold. We'll get there. We'll get there. Yeah, the reminding me thing, that works a lot better when I start jumping in between other charts, because I will forget. If you blow your load here in the first 2 seconds, don't do that. No girl likes it, nor do I. Don't blow your load right away, buddy. We'll get there. I actually hold a lot of e-gold, so I have an invested interest to look at it. So we'll get there. We do have a line, though. So I need to look at XRPH. Oh, I need to look at Wolf for Jonathan King. Wolf. I know I didn't dive too much into this Arrow thing, but it's like you're just kind of consolidating right now. Once you finally break above your recent high, you're just looking at 2027 as your next target, honestly. So there's not much to look at this. It's just if you're trying to get into a brand new trade for this bad boy, get your stop loss down here at like 149.7. Should be okay. As long as in the morning Wall Street doesn't have a wild hair up their ass. So, should be alright. Should be alright. I'm not saying you will be, just should be alright. Wolf. Hopefully Jonathan is still here so that we can look at Wolf. He said on AVAX. Is this the right Wolf? Is it Lone Wolf? Gonna pass. I want to trust, but I missed the buy zone. Oh, you didn't miss the buy zone, man. Whip's going up. It better. No Wolf. God, I don't know what it is then. Is it this? Wolf USD? He probably means land wolf. He does not mean land wolf. He means wolf. So this thing is wolf. And I hope you're not trying to get me to go to deck screener because we got rules around here. Land wolf. Motherfucker. Simply better. You want to look at Hippo? Hippo fucked me this morning. Or, yeah, this morning. Land wolf. Okay, we got land wolf. God damn it. Killing me out here. Land wolf. Nice reaccumulation after the fall. Like to see that. This thing might actually be getting ready to run. Might actually be getting ready to run. Oh, dang. Still holding Hippo. Holding Sui will pop with Hippo. Hoping. Oh, wait. Is Hippo on Sui? Yeah, it's on deck screener. There's no way I'm going to deck screener, guys. For me to go to deck screener, that is a $5 charge. I hate going to deck screener. I really do hate it. And I know it's completely reasonable pricing, but no. It's the principle. Degen! The only time I'm on deck screener is when I'm doing my own research. Because then I just plug in the contract and go straight to it. To fill... What? Something good? Rich 1 million BTC this cycle? I doubt that. 1 mil? I doubt that. This cycle? I doubt it. Next cycle? Maybe. Fabian, we got you on the E-Gold, bro. We got you on the E-Gold. We're just still looking at Wolf because we had to figure out which Wolf it was. Wolf at... Whoa. Alright, Wolf has very tight moving averages on the daily. You tried getting pushed back down below the 200 and you shot back up above it. Land Wolf here, getting ready to rally. It's like really getting ready to rally. Jesus. You have 2 targets for this. 78% and 369%. You think sand is good long entry now? I don't know. I gotta look at the chart. This looks crazy, but this can actually happen. Yeah, 2 targets. Let's see what happens when you get to the 23073. Next target after that, 6094. This looks absolutely crazy. Your entry on E-Gold was during last cycle, but you got in too late, so you held it round trip. That's rough. We'll try not to do that, ever. XRP, triangle on the 15. Upside triangle. Is this an upside? I don't know. I need to look at XRP. Actually, no, I do want to look at XRP again, too. This is AVAX Landwolf. I think so, Jonathan. I hope so. I did that too. So many people held for the round trip. I'm going to be the first one to start spouting off when it's like, wow, seems like a great idea to take profits. Seems like a good idea. Price is only in a straight line up. XRP, XLM, ADA, HBAR. Straight line up. Great idea. Take some profit. Why does every chain need a Landwolf? I don't know. I'm just going off what I found on Deck Screener. Or not Deck Screener, on TradingView. This is the land wolf I found. Looks like a 3x is coming. You guys keep talking about whiff as if it's doing something. It's not doing shit. Y'all crazy. Y'all are crazy. Alright, let's check out eGold. Checking out eGold. For Fabian. Very nice. Almost hitting my first profit-taking level. We got the breakout of 44.96. Next target, 67.25, where I'm going to sell off half my tokens. Sell off half. 67.25. And then after I hit 131.17, selling off another half. Yeah, eGold's looking solid. eGold's looking solid. XRPH, we'll get that. We'll get that. Sorry, I did have a vested interest in looking at this just because I hold it. And I will be taking... Wait, is that my taking profit level? I don't even remember. Shit. But yeah, my accumulation range was everything below 32.75. I'm just saying anything can happen. That's true. Anything can happen. That's true. Especially now that all the institutions are learning about the infinite money glitch. Definitely true. Llama. Oh, DeFi Llama. There we go. It's a good site for tracking stats, and different coins. Yeah, I used to use DeFi Llama, and then I just stopped for some. I don't even know why I stopped. eGold to 1,000? Maybe. But by that point in time, I only have 25% of the tokens that I'm holding. Any less is FUD. That's funny. That's funny. What was its previous all-time high? Yeah, $1,000 makes sense. Yeah, I feel like your thought of 1,000 is actually very conservative. You would only double the price from previous bull run? Very conservative. So keep in mind, guys, eGold here, it's been through one cycle. One. And this is arguably about to be the biggest cycle that we've ever had. So you would likely see things like eGold here doing something like a 5 to 10x. So if you end up seeing eGold trading at $5,000, don't be surprised. Don't be surprised. It could happen. I don't know what the supply is. I'm just saying what could happen. Pole is making moves now? It is. It was making moves earlier. I'm sure it's just running up now. Alright, let's look at XRPH before Steven gets mad at me. So XRPH on Bitmart as well as MEXC. We're going to check it out on Bitmart. 24 million circulating. 31 million. Oh, not bad. Yeah, really easy. Could get the... What the... I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this chart. It's high. It's up there. 19 cents. You, hopefully you hold support and you go further into price discovery. But it kind of looks like the party's over. You gotta wait for some structure. If you lose the level you're at right now, you're gonna have a really bad time. Back down to 6 cents. Really bad time. Hopefully you hold this level. Hopefully. Maybe you come down to 15.28, maybe. But yeah, this thing took off. The party was fun. Somebody stole the punch bowl though. Somebody stole that punch bowl. Made quite a bit already, holding long term. Alright. Don't forget to take your profits though. Because if you took profits up here, anywhere up here, you could have been buying the dip to get more tokens. Don't forget to take your profits. Can we look at Doge Elon Mars? Sure. I think we got to look at something else first, though. Oh, I did? Smart move. Smart move. Because I don't know when to take profit or not, or dogs. Savage? Wait, what did I miss here? We didn't do not or dogs. Hey, who the hell said nobody requested dogs? We did do dogs. We did it. You left me, Savage. But we did do dogs. I looked at it. We'll look at it again. We'll check out Not as well. I know I'm missing something. It's fine. You guys just bring it up again. We're going to go into dogs and Not. Oh, it's right fucking there. Oh, there it is. Much appreciated. Yeah, no problem, man. So yeah, dogs. Right now, you're looking for like that 47% upside. 47. Do you have Discord? Savage? That's a joke, right? We need to check out Prime for Zane. Gotcha. Savage. That's a joke, right? Because if you look at chat, literally right above where you said, please not, there's a link literally right there. There's no shot. Oh, man. Bro, don't click links. Oh my god. Well, it's in the description down below. You can't? Oh gosh. But yeah, I do have a Discord. Yeah, I don't know what else to tell you. Yes, we have a Discord. Welcome in everybody who's joined the Discord. Wookie, you're the latest one. What is up, Wookie? Hi. Hello there, Wookie. Wookie, the funny thing is, we already have a Chewy in there. It's gonna be rough. His wife told him, no clicking links. It's a smart move. You'll join Savage. You will see trade setups. You'll see me bring up meme coins. You'll see a lot. And there's even a request section in there. So if I'm not live, you guys can just ask me questions. Do I have to come to YouTube chat to bond with Wookie? I don't know, maybe. He's in the Discord though, Chewy. He's in the trading Discord. Alright, so dogs, we're looking for that 47% upside. Not much else to say about it. Your 4 hour is basically saying we're gonna do it. So that's what's happening here on dogs. Let's go check out Not. Not currently breaking to the upside. You're up 7%, breaking out. Oh boy. Oh boy. On this breakout, this is actually a big deal breakout because 14,395 is your next target. Yeah, pretty simple to notice where the stop loss should be, but you could be seeing a 55% rally out of Not. Not has the capability of doing something special. Maybe even making your next door neighbor proud. Maybe. It looks great. Looks great. Alright, we're going to take a look at Injective. Let's go, holding fat bag. That's nice. That's nice. Sorry, going a little bit into speed mode here, because it's already 10:30, and I forgot I have to sign up for the Black Friday deal when it comes to HBO Max. You can get for the next 6 months straight, $2.99 a month. Talk about a deal. Sheesh. Remember, write down Krill. Shit, I do have to look at Krill. Thank you, Chewy. We're looking at Krill next. So yeah, Injective, you're currently just pushing your way up to $42.91 more than likely. If you break $42.91, it's going to be a really big deal. Really big deal. Because your only thing after that is $53.17 and then price discovery. Today, tomorrow, I don't care. Just curious on your thoughts. No, we're going to it now, damn it. Oh, we have to look at Hippo as well. Shit. Who has time for HBO when you have crypto? When I'm in trades. I have time for everything. Oh my god, Jasmine's going nuts. It's up 23%. Do Hippo first. Okay, we'll do Hippo first. Hippo! Alright, Hippo. We do have a target. But yeah, Hippo holding strong above 14,954. Holding strong. Are you full-time trader? I guess technically. Good evening, my friend. Compound, please. To closer. We will look at Compound again. We'll look at it again. Holy crap. We've been live for 3 hours, guys. I swear, if we don't have 40 likes, y'all, we're ending stream. I'm just kidding. If you guys could, though, hit the like. Please hit the like. We have 43. All right, never mind. I'll shut up. Thank you, guys. I appreciate all the likes. All right, so Hippo, it did me dirty. But if you were trying to get into Hippo, you need a stop loss sitting somewhere around this 14219 level. Sam just liked. I appreciate the like, man. Appreciate it. Man, woman, I don't know. It's Sam. So could be a boy, could be a girl. Should I long? Not. You're on a fresh breakout while the market's going up. I mean, you're going to do whatever you want. Where in the hell did Twitch subs go up? Wait, they went up? Are you kidding me? What are Twitch subs now? Oh, no, not like reset, and now it's running again. So, yeah, no. Oh my god! Chewy, thank you so much for the sub. It did go up $1. The hell is that? Chewy, thank you so much for the sub over there on Twitch. I appreciate you. That's absolutely amazing. Hype in the chat. It's wild. Power-ups are here. Use bits to add unique stream effects. Wait, what? What the heck is Twitch doing? Twitch is strange, bro. Sam, $6? Sam, what do you mean $6? Twitch subs? Yeah, they're crazy. But yeah, so Hippo, we're looking at the possible strong possibility 85% upside just to get to your 618, which would also be coinciding with your all-time high. What's likely to happen if the trend does continue is for you to go up 144% up to 39671 for subs. Yeah, that's absolutely insane. Absolutely insane. But yeah, this thing is looking pretty saucy right now. Jasmine's up 25%. That's wild. You got any time on another live to go over fib retracements and stop losses for charts? Wait, what? Liking the vibes, man. Super chill. Subbed with the bell on. Have a good night. Steven, thank you so much for the sub. I appreciate the heck out of you. Hopefully you have a great night's sleep and keep getting those gains, brother. Keep getting those gains. Join the Discord also. It's a great place to be. It's free. It's free. I guess I could make a video about that. I just normally don't. So the main thing is, like, going over, since we're looking at a fib right here, this is a trending fib, but since you're finding a bottom, your stop loss right now, you would end up putting the stop loss below your lows because you're expecting the support to hold. So then, after you're holding support down here, when price moves up, I would say once you get above the 5.0, you then move your stop loss up to this 5.0, up to 26815. But there are some people where once you break the 382, they move their stop loss just to the next fib retracement level, just below it, because you're expecting as you move up to basically make a move a little bit like this. So you would be moving up, you would hit resistance, bounce off support, hit resistance, bounce off to support, and then you keep going like that. That's the general idea. What? Damn it. So that's the general idea. So that's why on each fib level, they would raise their stop loss to those levels. For me personally, I like to allow the move to actually like go. So what I would do is I would have my stop loss down below these levels. I would wait till it got at least above the 5.0, and then I'd raise my stop loss up to that level. That's what I do, just so that I'm literally deep in the territory of profits and not something like, ooh, I just gained 20%, when in reality I could have gained 60% on a stop loss. So that's what I like to do. Can I have a look at Ordi? Yeah, we'll check out some Ordi. 10 set. Check out some 10 set. We got to check out Krill. Chewy asked for Krill like a day ago, and I gotta do it. Please check Cass. Robert, we'll check it out. Krill. Is that how I spell it? Or is it K-Y-R some nonsense? K-R-Y-L-L. Where is this thing, Chewy? Wait, you trade on Coinbase a lot. Why can't I find this? KRL? That's what it is. KRL. Okay. I've been here before? Did you ask for this? Why the heck have I seen this? Ooh. This thing already had its party. Holy crap. Not me. First time ever. Gotcha. But yeah, it looks like you're consolidating right under resistance. Let's check your daily. You're not overbought on the weekly. Daily's resetting right underneath resistance. This is interesting. This is pretty interesting. You're uptrending into it. So now if you were buying this, stop loss 55028, you're aiming for $1.1315. Thank you, sir. No problem, Byron. Yellow Pepe. Shit, I forgot about purple. Sean Arts, welcome in. Welcome in. Yeah, I totally forgot about purple. Whoever wanted purple, are you still here? Whoever wanted purple? I forgot. Your 4 hour looks like more consolidation coming. 1 hour's trying to reset right now. 15 minute wants to go up. It wants to. There's just very little volume on this thing. And this is on KuCoin where the most volume is. Zilliqa is pumping. Oh, it's finally moving? Damn. I missed it. Damn it. So yeah, if you were taking the gamble on this one, just make sure you got a stop loss somewhere around this like 55 level. Somewhere around that, because if it goes below it, you have a big retracement back down to 34 cents. But if it goes above it, very good move to the upside. Nearly 100%. Nearly. 72%. Close enough. But yeah, very good move to the upside if it does break out and hold. So I would say it could be worth the risk simply because you do have higher lows. And it's pushing straight into resistance. The longer you are above resistance, the better it is. Subbed and liked. Good stream, bro. Thanks, Jonathan. No problem. I appreciate it. Seriously, every like, every sub, it all helps greatly. Thank you, guys. I do greatly appreciate it. We are trying to whore ourselves out to the internet by monetizing this channel. Definitely trying to do that. So, everything helps. Putting in big cup and handle pattern. Is it really? We're going to have to wait to get there because I got to look at 10 set. So we're going to look at 10 set, then we'll look at Yellow Pepe. What the hell is this thing? Okay, there it is. 10 set. Alright, here we are. Here we are. Oh, this is an interesting little pattern. Wait, I want the 15 minute. Hold on. Wrong pattern. Wrong pattern. This is so illiquid. No one's trading this. Looking at the weekly, it looks like you're trying to put in a bottom. Looking like you're almost there. Almost there. Your weekly doesn't even want to wait for it though. That's kind of a shame. Oh, you're so close. All right, weird look. Let's check what your daily's doing. Yeah, your daily uptrending while you're seeing the bullish divergence. You're seeing it. It's there. I'm thinking you're going to get a test at 1990. I'm thinking the test is going to come. It's all because of the stochastic. Stochastic might push you down here so that you can get your buying down there. Can I look at SCRT? Recently signed a partnership with NVIDIA. We'll check it out. Saheb? We'll check it out. Sorry if I'm butchering your name. My bad. My bad. I'm a little remedial sometimes. Just give me a break. Give me a break. But after you confirm your bottom down there, I mean, you're looking to get back up to 30.86. After that, you would be looking at 52.45. And then if you kept the party rolling, you're looking at 94.78. So it has a little bit more work to do. Just hold your supports. Start putting in a little bit of a pattern. And then, yeah, you're golden for massive upside. And since we are in such bullish times, you're just looking for how high can you go at that point. So that's 10 set. Yeah, and getting a retrace back to how high you got before might be the play. Just maybe. I hate how many levels there are right here. That's so many levels. So many. When do I think Shiba will hit 1 cent? I don't know. 5 years. Yeah, I don't have a clue. Doge started to move. About time, Doge. God, it's been such a bad dog. Alright, let's check out Yellow Pepe. Sean Art. What's the ticker for Yellow Pepe? Pepe, why? Shib's moving. About time, Shib. Yellow Pepe. I can't find Yellow Pepe. It's Pepe 2? Oh no, no, there it is. Okay, is it that? Yelpy? Oh god. Oh god. Alright. Thank you so much for the sub, Sahib. I appreciate it. What? A giant cup and handle? So I said this earlier. When it comes to these brand new meme coins, you just kind of have to throw TA out the window and look at the community. Find out if they got some deep pockets and they're ready to start pushing this thing up. As for a cup and handle, I don't see this thing. I don't know what time frame you're looking at. But even on your daily, it just looks like you're in price discovery nonstop. You don't know if you're going up, don't know if you're going down. This is solely dependent on the community. You're finding a shit ton of resistance right here, though. Holy crap. So yeah, if you can break this level at 418338, then maybe you continue up into price discovery. Outside of that, I mean, there's hardly any data on this. And you're not formally testing any levels of support. It's just a little bit too new for any type of TA to actually work. So I hate to give you the bearer of bad news. It's just, it's too brand new, brother. Too brand new. So I wish it goes to the moon for you. I hope it does. To the moon, baby. To the moon. Alrighty. Can I look at Wojak? We'll check out some Wojak. We gotta look at SCRT real quick for Saheb. I hope I said it right. I'm trying to say it right. I swear. I'm just American. I feel like if you're in any other part of the world, you know exactly what I just said. We not always smart. Not always. We're really smart when it comes to sports and war. Definitely not pronouncing any other country's names. Definitely not at that. We're also pretty good at drinking beer. Pretty good at that. Alright, so you're coming off of absolute lows and bullish divergence on the weekly. No wonder it went crazy. No wonder. Miggles, Thanks for Yellow Pepe look. Yeah, no problem. I think somebody's asked me to look at Miggles before. Is this another meme coin? Is that what you're asking me for? Nice breakout. Are we holding a support? Oh shit, we are. Oh, this is nice. Saheb coming out here with the heavy hitter. With a big old breakout though. Miggles on base? Is it really? You would think I would start to remember these things. You would think. So I'm pretty sure I've been to the chart. Why you sleep on base coins, bro? I don't sleep on them. I just don't look them up because they're all on the Ethereum network. It's not sleeping on them. It's just hating Ethereum. There's a big difference. Like, I feel like the ETH meme coins just decided, oh, we're on base. It's different. What do you use to buy them? Ethereum? Oh, so you're an Ethereum token. It's dumb. Nice disguise, bro. Yeah, you should know Miggles. Think this could be the Doge of this cycle? Oh boy. Yay, more gas fees. Exactly. Nobody likes the gas fees. Alright, so SCRT. You had an amazing run so far. You're overbought on the weekly. Above resistance. So as long as you can maintain above 6088, you're sitting pretty. As of the daily, you're showing non-stop bearish divergence, which people are just offloading the heck out of this token, but it keeps going up. Sean Art drank the Kool-Aid. I mean, everybody drinks Kool-Aid. Everybody does at some point in time. That's how people get you to diamond hands things. Your 4-hour wants to try to rally again, but your relative strength says we want to go down. Ouch. I think this one is going to have a slight pullback. Checking your one, oh yeah, 1 hour says you're going to pull it back. Oh boy. So I would definitely think this is your new downtrend that you need to break out of. So new downtrend forming right here. If you can maintain above this level of support, you're going to see a great time going up to anywhere between 92.37 and 139.2. If you lose this level, you have a couple little areas where you could catch support, but in reality, your target would be all the way back down to 24 cents. So let's hope and pray you get the breakout instead of breaking down. Well, that's what I see out of this SCRT. But people are offloading their positions already. So just be careful on this. It had an amazing rally. Consolidation is likely. Very likely. And giving it a look at this, it looks like a giant rising wedge. Absolutely. Actually, no, I would anchor it right there. So giant rising wedge. You tried breaking out of it twice. You got pulled down by your hair, buddy. Dang. That's rough. That is rough. So, a downside target on this, just a measured move. If this plays out, so big. That's what she said. Alright, so, geez, 42% downside, down to 44.39. Be close. Just keep those stop losses in place, or just consider taking profits if it starts falling. Otherwise, you have plenty of upside. Up to this 139. Plenty of upside. Compound, I skipped that. I'm sorry to closer. I did skip that. Checking out comp again. We're going to dive into this real quick because it's already started moving. But overhead resistance, you're looking for anywhere between 92.21 and 99.34. If you happen to break that, next target's 170. But I would expect some consolidation in this range because that is major overhead resistance. Major overhead resistance. So I wish you the best of luck on your comp holdings. Does look like consolidation is coming. But who knows? This market be wild. Trying to play catch up with Bitcoin. Things are going up way higher than expected. Way higher. Alright, Miggles is coming in next. Miggles. Mr. Miggles. I'm sure I've been here. Yep. So you're almost getting to support. You're so close. Just hit the support, damn it. Just get there. So very close. Doge Elon Mars? Ian, we'll get there. Oh, yeah, we'll go there next. Hey, I think I'm caught up. Let's freaking go, baby. Feels good. So this one, you're looking for the trend to continue. So with that being said, if you can get to support, I would feel way more comfortable about this. The fact that you have not seen support yet is a problem, and when I bring this fib retracement down to your support, it lines up perfectly with where you're finding resistance, so I think you're going to hit support. Z-Kid, okay, don't forget Wojak. I did forget about Wojak. We got to get there too. I know Doge Elon Mars was before that, Jonathan. We'll get there. You're buying skin. TY. That's scary, bro. You alright? You good? Gonna get some grat? When you break out of this and you find your support down here at like 7884, you then could possibly see anywhere between 131, 167, maybe even 211% upside. On Miggles, it is possible. Oh, that's too funny. You bought AVAX? Smart move. Should have been holding AVAX for a long time, though. TY, you're late. You late. Could have been buying that stuff under $10. You late. The closer, no problem at all. No problem. Alright. Checking out Wojak. Wojak. MAGA. Wojak's just trying to hold some support, brother. Just trying to hold some support. You hold support, you're still in price discovery. Not much I can tell you there. What should I buy for a pump? I don't know, TY. I can't give you financial advice. I don't know. And also, I don't know if you've been a part of this stream lately. Nobody cares about what you can buy for a potential pump. Everybody wants to look at the golden green candles. Alright? Nobody wants to see what can make them money. They want to see what's already made money. I could make a static video about don't be exit liquidity, and then all of a sudden I get everybody asking how they can become exit liquidity. It's absolutely insane. If you hold support, you could be looking at 83% upside to that 1618. I dream of green candles. Short H bar for free money. Oh boy. That's scary though. Zane, that's scary. Absolutely insane. So yeah, Wojak, if you hold support, you could be looking at 84% upside. Let's go ahead and check. Jesus Coin is your top holding. Really? Is it because it went up so much? Oh man, your daily wants it. Wojak wants it. Oh shit. So yeah, Wojak might actually start making this move. That's great. You got some cash on Jesus? Bought some Jesus. Did you do it for Bad Boys 2? You know, where they're in the department store and they're talking in front of the camera, and then all of a sudden the black lady at the end is like, and you two motherfuckers need Jesus. Best line in all of TV history. I swear, if Jesus Coin didn't even use that scene in their marketing, I don't know what they're doing. Not worth the buy, honestly. Jesus Coin is the play. Oh boy. Oh boy. Let's check out Doge Elon Mars. So I believe it's Elon. Doge Elon Mars. Here it is. Here it is. There we go. Oh, Doge Elon Mars. About to try and hit overhead resistance again. Already had an amazing move. See that pullback right there? See this rounded bottom? This is what you like to see. You're definitely looking like you're about to try and test some resistance again. But if you manage to break 255.8, you're looking at 3419. Let's go a bit deeper into this because your daily does not look great. 4 hour looks a little bit better, but it also looks like more consolidation ahead. That's kind of too bad. Checking out the 1 hour. 1 hour wants to consolidate still as well. That's really too bad. Bitcoin's pulling back. Oh, that kind of sucks. Bitcoin pulling back is a real problem for a lot of tokens. Be careful here. Be careful. Flash crash? Maybe. I don't know. I don't know about a crash, but, you know, Bitcoin's just pulling back a little bit. Got to be a little careful out here. Yeah, this looks like a lot more consolidation ahead, so just be a little careful on this one. Doge on Mars, if you're trying to get into a fresh trade, stop loss needs to be so deep, all the way down here at 1771. So it's almost not even worth it trying to get into a brand new trade. Just wait and see what happens. Wait and see. Alrighty. Oh, Rich, you're on that 1 minute chart, right? Terrible. Let's go check out MAGA. Yeah, it looks like Bitcoin's pulling back even more. That can't be right. What exchange did I choose? Oh, that's why. On the 4 hour? On a flash crash? Lord Twisted J's trying to get through all the requests as fast as I can. Give me a minute. Give me a minute. 3 levels down here? Jeez. And you're below one of them. That's not good. That's not great. Huh. Alright, got all our levels. So you are at the lows. This is really, really good. It's looking like you're trying to bottom out. You, on your daily, wow. So you got super oversold. It just seems random. Just random buying. Looks like you don't have a composite operator in here. Oh no, Bitcoin is not looking very strong. I might have to get out of my trades. Son of a bitch. I don't want to. I really don't want to. I want them to play all the way out before I get out. But, once again, as I said before, if we didn't get above certain levels before I go to bed, I will get out of my trades and sleep well. On your daily, this looks questionable. I would wait for the stochastic to get low again. Let's check out the 4 hour. 4 hour, it looks weird. This thing looks really weird. I don't really like this. Maybe if you come down and touch this 5823 again, I would like this a bit more. I don't really like this at these levels. I don't like it at all. So you hit your low. You got a low there. I guess you're starting to try and trend up. It just seems like there's a lack of interest on this. Yeah, a little pullback. Yeah, this coin, it looks like a lack of interest. But if you do start trending up, you're just looking for 9728. If you happen to break that, 18266. But this looks a lot more like one of those coins you buy, and one day it's up 200% when you wake up. And you're like, oh, what the heck happened? No news, no nothing. Just somebody found the coin and bought a little too much. That's what this coin reminds me of. So MAGA, I mean, maybe hold a little bag of it and hope for the best. Outside of that, I don't see why you'd own this one. This is really strange price action to me. I don't like this. You were in a downtrend to get into a downtrend to spike up to get into a downtrend. I don't. And you just stayed around the same level. God, it looks really strange. I don't like that. All right, we're gonna move on. I guess next is Jesus. We're looking at Jesus. Jesus coin on Poloniex. Poloniex is the worst exchange ever. Yeah, it's the worst exchange ever. Hold on. I don't even know where to look at it. Degen's good play. I agree with Twisted. Well, check out Degen. I'm trying to look at Jesus coin. I'm guessing it has to be seen on Deck Screener. And yeah, I'm not going there. Bitcoin's still falling. Can you check Moo? Sure. Gotta check out Degen first, though. Oh, don't like that. I know I have a nice deep stop loss, but I really don't like that. I really don't like that. I'm gonna have to look at that whiff trade again. Alright, looking at Degen, it is very solid. You can distinctively see where to put a stop loss, and you got some targets overhead. You got some targets. Outside of that, I mean, it's in price discovery, right? No, it's not. Not even close. Okay. Oh, yeah, this is another one. It looked kind of weird. I was like, are these real levels or not? Because I know this is a real level. But it only fell down once. So yeah, needless to say, if you can break above this level up here at 1970, you're going to see 2303, and if you break above that, back to 3400. But in reality, since you came to these lows, your real target's all the way back up to these highs, because there's nothing else in between. I don't really like that you didn't really set your bottom on the weekly. All you did was you came down, you rounded out, and then you pop back up like a cup and handle. But oh well. Oh well. It's a degen, it's a new token, it's kind of whatever. So this thing very well could go back up to 5698. Just give it some time. Give it some time. As long as Bitcoin doesn't start falling crazily, it should be fine. XRP down 6%. Who could have seen that happening? Oh no. Moo. Hold on. Zane, are you trying to get me to look at Zane? What? XRP was in fact a rising wedge. It apparently was. But also remember, Bitcoin right now is helping pull down some of these prices. Bitcoin is helping tremendously by being a little uncertain. Feel like all those played out. Let's get rid of this. Alrighty. So Moo. You can see we are uptrending, but it does look like it's trying to break the uptrend. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, did you break it already? Did you? Oh no. Oh no. The reckoning. The reckoning. Oh, you're holding it. Never mind. It tried. You're just hoping, you're really hoping Bitcoin doesn't go down any further for Moo. Just don't go any lower, Bitcoin, please. Because if you do, there's no way Moo's going to see 7266 again. There's no way. It's going to see 3384 instead. trying so hard to hold that support. Oh, man. Oh, man. Shit. All right, 4 hour. Definitely trying to hold it. You like the rounded bottom here. You like that. That's good. Do we do. We have hit it or not hit. We have bullish divergence. Very nice to see that. Bullish divergence. So this should, and I repeat, should go up. Now, we can look at it as a trend thing. The problem you're having here is how deep you got. You barely got higher. So if we're looking at the trend fibs, this is where the problem lies. So you would be starting to look for a reverse in price. So anywhere between the 1, the 786 could be playing out. But yeah, it's looking like steam is going away from Moo. Maybe you get a rally up to 9114. Maybe it goes up to 10473 or 37. But I would be expecting a bit more of a drawdown after that. The party might be over. Party just might be over for Moo for now. Your weekly time frame, it's in neutral territory. Yeah, neutral territory. So even if you do start rallying up, you might just hit the 50. If you only hit the 50 as a bearish backtest, that's going to be rough. Because then you're coming straight back down here. So, interested to see what happens with Moo. But also, maybe you just fall down from here. Because Bitcoin's still pulling back. Okay, we're getting out of this. We're getting out of WIF. Why is FTM still going up? We're going to leave FTM open for now. We're going to go look at FTM's chart, actually. FTM's trying to go up. We got out of WIF because WIF. Sorry, I'm gonna take the executive stance here. I'm gonna go look at WIF real fast. See if me getting out was a good idea. I only got a 50% on that trade. A little disappointing. Ooh, XRP's down 7. Oh, it's pulling down hard. So looking at WIF, let's get into this 1 hour. The 1 hour is gonna set you free. Yeah, that 1 hour wants to reset. Finding so much resistance. That's a terrible candle. That's awful. So, maybe we're coming all the way down here to 282. Maybe. Either way, I'm not going to pay attention to it. I'm just going to set an alert and find out if it does. Whoops. Alert going down there. That's all I care about. XRP's going down. It is. Finally. It's going down. Sorry, Sean Art. I see that you posted up the contract. I'm definitely not going to Deck Screener. We have a $5 minimum if you wanted me to. It's just, I'm not doing it. Just not doing it. Let's take a look at the destruction that could be taking place under XRP, and then we could see all the smug XRPians out there talking about, I'm going to hold this thing for the next 5 years. Start sweating. It's going to be great. But anyways, yeah. Symmetrical triangle breaking down. That is too gosh darn bad. Oh boy. Now the really cool thing about that fib tool I've been using, you can actually use it to the downside as well. So we start at the top here. We hit the low, we go to the high, and now we get a feel for where this thing could go. We're probably going to find a lot of support at the 1618, sitting down here at 244.5, where then we could get a bounce, come back up, and then we start seeing more downside plays. So, this trending fib tool, absolute game changer. But, yeah, XRP, oh no. Who would have ever suspected it would go down at these high prices? But it's still very possible it could go up to $3 still. Alright, so keep that in mind. Could still go up to $3. DWK, hi, what is up? How you doing? Alright, I gotta check out, oh shit, I gotta check out FIL too. That one's actually a big deal. I gotta log in to check that one out. Fuck, this was up 4%. What happened here? That's terrible. There is no way we found that much resistance at the 382, brother. What? Gosh. That's unreal. That is unreal. If Bitcoin screws up this FIL trade, I swear. Greetings out of the Netherlands. You're in the Netherlands? Wow. That sounds exotic. Is it cold or is it warm? I feel like it would be freezing right now because it's like winter. Can't take it anymore. Too many gains. See you tomorrow. HQZ. Glad you're getting the gains. Get a good night's rest. Take it easy. Can't wait to see you next time. Oh, crap. Is that a rising wedge? That was a rising wedge, isn't it? That was a breakdown of support as well. Oh, no. FIL is a sleeping giant. McLovin. Yeah, it's pretty good. Thanks, brother. See you, chat. Later, HQZ. Appreciate you. Alright, I'm going to have to get out of this FIL trade. That kind of blows. Hold on. Hold on, I got to get out of it. It's on my other account. Hold on. Let me just get out of this bad boy. I don't like what it's doing here. So 63% on the trade. I'll take it. Close that. I'm good on that. Alright. We live to fight another day on the FIL coin. Let's log back into the other one. The fuck? Pull this back on over here. Alrighty. So whiff, we took a 57%. Too bad. Too bad. Are we going to get out of this one? Well, let's check out FTM. And noted, this is also I can get good night's sleep. That's really all it's for. Ew. FTM probably will keep running. I just, I don't like what the 15's trying to do here. Not a big fan of that. Oh, FIL's bouncing back up as well? Yeah, that's fine. RSR broke out huge. You're right. It was running like crazy. Yeah, I would raise this up. I'm finding more resistance. Maybe we get the breakout tomorrow. I'm going to close that trade as well. For 317%. Not a bad day of trading. Not a bad day. Let's just make tomorrow better. Yep, out of the trades. I'll see what it's looking like in the morning. No big deal. No big deal. Yeah. So Sean Art, I'm not trying to ignore you. It's just if I have to go to Deck Screener, we do have like a $5 tip thing. Because I don't like going to Deck Screener. So yeah, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to miss out on the Jesus coin and looking at it, but yeah, I gotta skip that. We've been live for 3 hours and 41 minutes. Been live for a long time. It's getting pretty late for me. It's 11:16. Thank you guys so much for the 51 likes. You guys are absolutely amazing. How low can file go? I don't know. I honestly don't know. Because I don't know if Bitcoin's going to pull back a lot or a little. Bitcoin's being weird. As soon as I see something weird, I get out of my leverage trades. especially if it's right before I go to bed. I just get out. So let's just take a look at Bitcoin real fast, see what's going on. Nice quick little drop here. That's a problem. So Bitcoin could actually fall quite a bit. Oh shit. So Bitcoin could fall 2%. A lot of altcoins will get devastated with a 2% drop. I don't want to stick around for that at all, because it's likely to stop out a lot of longs. And if you're long in the market on leverage, it's usually in your best interest to avoid a dip with Bitcoin. FTM, I probably do have a great stop loss. Maybe this pullback isn't going to be that big of a deal, but I don't want to take the chance. Don't want to take the chance. FIL could pull back down to 678.9. If it doesn't hold 678.9, then you could come down to the 6604. So that's where it could come down to. We're going to have to wait and see what happens. Since I'm going to be sleeping, I'm not going to see what happens. I'm just going to wake up and see what Wall Street wants to do. If they still feel like being weird, or if we're just going to put in some bottoming patterns and then continue the rally tomorrow. Either way, I took my money and I'm running. Running! All long-term holds staying in there because that doesn't matter. It's just the leverage plays. Just the leverage plays. Shorting 8. H-bar was a great play here. Good short. Don't know how long it'll last, but we'll see. How do I use a fib extension tool the correct way? I'm confused by the question. But normally, what you would do is you would go from low to high. So let's say you go from low to high. You would have your fib tool from the low to high. But I'm using a trend fib tool because I have my normal levels here. So let's just say you went straight back down to your low. You'd be looking for like anywhere between the 618 or the 50 for great places to get a bounce. If it's a super bullish market, the 786 will get a bounce and you'll continue going to the upside. No problem, DWK, no problem. Blaze from Hot Trades. What? Can I look at XRP? Yeah, we were like just there. What are your long-term holds that haven't pumped crazy yet? Kava, Sushi, 1 inch. Anchor already started moving. Cody started moving. C98 started moving. I'm not really sure what else hasn't really moved. It seems like everything else has moved. Okay, maybe I heard you wrong. Disregard. All right, Nanya. That is quite the dip. Trying to Bart Simpson head and shoulders out here or something. So, needless to say, if you're going to head and shoulders, I would expect XRP to drop down another 12%. If you're going to do that. Don't know if you will. No idea. I just know it's kind of starting to resemble a Bart on the lower time frame. Very veritasium. I don't know what that is. But yeah, Zane, I hold a lot of tokens. I don't pay too much attention to when they start moving. I just start looking in on all the coins when everything starts moving. But yeah, so looking at XRP, you got to realize where your support is. So if this thing does start falling like a stone, you're looking for support at $1.55. The fact that you haven't hit $3 yet, technically speaking, still can happen. Still can happen. You could find support somewhere around, I would say, you could find support at like 215 and then continue the rally up. It's a possibility. So until we start setting lower highs, you have to expect the trend to keep going up. It just looks like a lot of profit taking is happening from Asia. I blame Asia all the time. Could be the UK, but I blame Asia. Could be. Very Sean Art, is this another meme coin? Or something that's on a DEX and not on TradingView? Because I cannot find it on TradingView. No? The hell is this? Very whales, variant holders. What is this? Been out for a long time. There's the contract. It doesn't. It's only a $31 million market cap. You're only trading on DEXs. So I can't really look at this. You're only on DEXs. I can never tell you when it's a good time to sell. I can just tell you where I'm going to be taking profits. So, when it comes to 1 inch, first profit taking level is 64.09. My second profit taking level is $1.30. From there, it could keep going. Oh wait, I take it back. Hold on. My first profit taking level is 130. Second is 197. Sorry. All of this down here is technically an accumulation range. So when you break out of it, you're expecting to get up to the 130 to 197. Anywhere in between there. Great places to take some profits out and watch and see what happens with the price. There are some people who will be like, well, if you're out of accumulation, wait for all-time highs. I much prefer to accumulate a way too much amount down here and then take profits early so that I can just have a moon bag for later. That's what I prefer to do. And then allows me to be able to buy in on dips, or it also allows me to get into new projects. So that's what I like to use it for. But yeah, 130, 197, good areas. Good areas. All right, everybody. I need to get some rest. I have a nice full day tomorrow with my daughter, so I do have to sleep. I appreciate each and every one of you for coming out. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the likes, the subs, everything in between, the conversation, the requests. Y'all are absolutely amazing. I'm going to go to bed. Y'all get some sleep too, or have a great day or a great afternoon, whichever it might be for you. No problem, Sam. And I'll catch you all later. Hopefully I see you in Discord. Deuces. Keep those stop losses tight. Take it easy. Preach, bruh. I'll do my best. Alright, later, everybody. The Fed sees that tokens from Reggie Middleton. Good night. That's wild. All right, have a good night, Sean.